Rajesh Dalwar, 10 points for the quiz master. Right, let's go. Are you mang tayo ni kum ga? All right. Hiliwo internet mom thajen ganglo audience bing answer shok thatlem ko. Area daily waga he participants mean bak thai je audience bing na pat pat thai gain. Then I say thanks to the Google da hang jilla. Ready? Mike Joshua? All right. What is the name of the scheme that aims to provide pipe drinking water and connections to every household by 2024? Pass. Audience when namday. Aron mission ji ukur Manipur la supply son lega yang. Yes, Jal Jeevan Mission. Another 10 points for the audience. All right. Next question. How many national political parties are there in India?
7.
I'm sorry?
8.
8. Okay, that's a correct answer. Next question. What is the name of the evacuation mission launched by the government of India to evacuate Indian nationals from Ukraine? Pause. Audience B. Operation Kanga. Next question. Last question. Israel has successfully tested a new laser missile defense system on 16 April 2022. 16 April 2022. What is the name of the missile?
Pass.
Pass. Audience winning thing. Israel bashi. Israel bashi. All right, Iron Beam. Okay, we'll just move on with the second round, which will be from Naga National Movement, right? Okay, so Aribawa, the first team machine round. No, let's say no negative marking. Naga history wrong. Not Naga history, Naga National Movement. No negative wrong. No negative mark. 10 points for correct answer. 10 seconds to answer the question again. Right? Ready with the first question? Who was the first president of NNC?
Tiao.
Can you give me the full name? I'm sorry, anyone from the audience, the full name? The first president of NNC. T. Aliba Imdi Au. Right, the next question. Who was the first to hoist the Naga national flag featuring the rainbow and the Bethlehem star? Itu we Naga flag chi rainbow color and the star first hoist. It was hoisted at Pareshan village in the Rengma region. Pass. It was General Tungdi Chang who was the CNC of the Naga Home Guard. Alright, the last and final question for Team 3. When was Nagalim represented by NSCN admitted to UNBO, United Nations People Organization?
23 January 1993.
Correct answer for Team 1, 23rd January 1993. Right, second team. Mike, ready? He was the NSCN IM Vice Chairman from 1996 to 2010 and also elected as a president during NNC days in 1990. He is known as the grand old man of Naga political struggle. Who is he?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Just make it short. Who is known as the grand old man of Naga political struggle? Anyone from the audience? Oi, naka now bing naka history dan not lego. Minus myo ko. Audience bing minus 100 myo. Kutao yan than. Next question. Who is the present interlocutor of the Indo-Naga Bistok?
A.K. Mishra.
A.K. Mishra, that's a correct answer. NNC, Naga National Club. It was formed at Sani Block under Wokat district in Nagaland. When was it formed?
1956.
I'm sorry.
1946.
1946, that's a correct answer. The full answer will be 2nd February 1946. All right. Nashi team 3 ba sinako? All right. Who is the first president of the Naga Club? Mr. Ao. Sorry. That was Naga National Council, NNC. This one, Naga Club. Pass. Anyone? Who is the first general in the history of the Naga army after the formation of NSCN GPRN? Pass. Oi, anyone from the audience? The first general in the Naga history after the formation of NSCN GPRN? Anthony Ningkan Chimri, the first general. When did the government of India recognize the uniqueness of the Naga history and situation of the Nagas? Pass. 2002. 11 July 2002. All right. So, listen ako. Ako mang tayo. Tadi ko gini ya. All right. Ay Naga naubing Naga history ng All right, your first question. A famous traditional religious movement named Heraka was very famous among the Ziliangrong Nagas in the 1920s. It later turned into a freedom struggle movement. Name the person who led the movement.
Rani Gaidindo.
I'm sorry.
Zadonang.
Can you give me the full name?
Haipo Zadonang.
Haipo Zadonang, that's a correct answer. What is the name of the counter-insurgency operation launched by the Indian Army after the Oinam attack of 9 July 1987?
Operation Bluebird.
Correct answer, Operation Bluebird. This one, I want the complete answer. When was NSCN formed?
NSCN 1980.
No, I said I want the complete answer.
October 31st.
Repeat the complete answer.
October 31st, 1980.
All right, I'm sorry, that's an incorrect answer. 31st January 1980. All right, points la tata detail yang no say. Now we come to the final round for this quiz competition. This will be a rapid round. Each team, I want you to be very clear with this. Each team will get 1 minute, right? 1 minute. So if you want to save that 1 minute, and if you want to get as much as question you want, if you don't know the answer, just say pass, 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 right? If you give a correct answer, I'll just move on with the next question. But if you don't give an answer, or if you give an incorrect answer, and if you don't say pass, I'll just remain with that question, right? Clear? Rapid round, each team get 1 minute. Minute ako alung li na shin kya ngan ka shible ta ngan ka lu. Na tum na answer ma thai ka wa lak pass pass jo lu. Pass chekin lak move sa wa re. Ha? Ka answer ma thai answer jing we le ga na tum na pass ta ma hang ka in the move sam re. Answer ma sungai ka wa na tum na pass ta ma in lak move sa re. Right? Clear? 1 minute. No negative marking. Just 1 minute. Right? Okay. Ari Pavel. Right, team 3 when I was team 3 bashin actually first lot shoot me on. Team 3. Right, mark some team 3. 1 minute. Ready? Yes. If you don't know the answer, say pass. National game of India. Okay, correct. White Revolution or Operation Flood is associated with?
Pass.
When do we celebrate World Malaria Day? Malaria Day.
Pass.
Kaziranga National Park is located along which Indian river?
Brahmaputra.
Correct. Which country won the first ever Football World Cup?
Uruguay.
Correct. Which instrument is used to listen to the vibration of heart and lungs?
Stethoscope.
Correct. Who is known as the father of genetics?
Pass.
The first Indian to win an Olympic gold medal?
Neeraj Chopra.
I'm sorry.
Abhinav Indra.
Correct. A sustained rise in the general price level in an economy is called?
Inflation.
Correct. Who? All right. Well tried. Team 1. Issue quiz im gup chau rang debate participants begin up. Please ready some yes. All right. Mike Jackson.
Hello.
All right. Ready?
Yes.
Your time starts now. Who is appointed as the new CEO and managing director of Air India?
Pass.
What is the full form of SEPI?
SEPI. Pass.
Who appoints the governor of a state?
President.
Correct. The smallest planet of the solar system.
Pluto.
Sorry.
Neptune. No. Mars.
Sorry.
Venus.
Mercury.
Correct. The longest national highway in India.
Pass.
The first Indian to be awarded Bharat Ratna.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Sorry.
Pass.
Name the virus responsible for COVID-19.
SARS-CoV.
Full.
SARS-CoV-19.
Sorry.
SARS-CoV-20.
Sorry.
Pass.
Who is known as the father of modern chemistry?
Anton von Lewis.
Correct. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity?
Iron.
Sorry.
Lead.
Sorry. SARS and CoV-2. Right. Team 4. Himong da da kong người. Nhưng có mong lên rồi. All right. Team 4. You ready? Mike Jackson.
Check.
All right. Your time starts now. The national game of USA.
Soccer.
Sorry.
Rugby.
Sorry.
Pass.
Basketball.
Pass. Who wrote the book A Long Walk to Freedom?
Nelson Mandela.
Correct. What is the term Black Revolution associated with?
Pass.
When do we celebrate International Women's Day?
Pass.
India recently signed an economic cooperation and trade agreement with which country?
UK.
Sorry.
Pass.
Who was India's first football captain?
Bhaijung Bhutia.
Sorry.
Pass.
What is the scientific name of vinegar?
Citric acid.
Sorry.
Pass.
Who is known as the father of economics?
John Adam Smith.
Correct. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to United States of America?
France.
Correct. The highest military award in India?
Ashok Chakra.
I'm sorry. Okay, time up. All right, while the judge is counting the points, once again, I want to congratulate to all the 4 teams who have competed for this debate competition. Issue really, issue the area chat kai bing ni tho. Ngazan la kai na thai ding le area gi thumi Naga history. Naga history li paksa the question ba thai leim ne. I thumi common sala kai Naga vocabulary jena dai thumi important sala kai NNC and Naga club ko NSC and IM cup lang ko wi or I thumi UNBO li wazang kai ceasefire agreement sign sa kai aroi ri thau ji I thumi li jing zan line thai le ji I thumi khri tho da alung li. Ji awareness jak lam le thai. Jena Chipaji la kitiyo ko improve sa kwai sa say to next event li la plus organizers bing la chi sa la grade ji ko ba kitiyo ko research sa la study materials la kitiyo ko provide sa say itu mui study materials la wat la kai ni klai tha da thai jen la kernel bing la or history thai da klai bing la kitiyo ko compile sa mi la kai to work out sa kwai la sa say. All right, once again a very big congratulations to all the team. Now let's see the scores of the team. Actually pat tai ngo say All right, debaters being the actually he first line we see chỉ tao khi miêu lo, ishi atam way simsa quay he cúp lo the put the sauce again he first line jeli actually the debaters being the. All right, points la chala cái này xong bằng đó là total scoring direct how way, team 1 they scored a total of 50 points. 50 points. All right, final round, yeah? Final round, all right. Other we just kick them the preliminary count up of them, yeah? Second team, they scored a total of 100 points. Round out, Team 3, they scored a total of 30 points. And Team 4, they scored a total of 70 points. Okay, so the winner of the debate competition is quiz competition is Team 2. A big round of applause for Team 2. And the second position goes to Team 4, 70 points. The third position goes to Team 1, 50 points. And the fourth position goes to Team 3, 30 points. A very big congratulations to all the participants and to all the winners. Thank you so much.
Kajithaya kasauke. Shanwai chonwai kajithaywi list misang khai bingna mga hivak ralaga number rashut migla. Shanwai chonwai we participants bing. Kachai ZTKL Sansa Katokatam Nalong. Representative Akanara Rasuknyong.
Ari kakniwi competition sagi jina shadleye debate na jena topic na not embracing diversity has deprived Tangkhul of many achievement jena not embracing diversity by a constant like hai ne ka ari nothing na phatgi ji bai na has deprived or has not deprived ba jiling phatgi ji ne topic jili are not embracing diversity has deprived buver basina jena opponent basina has not deprived jigi jini jila jena not embracing diversity paiva constant nei hai nei de khang jena no tumi debate with judging criteria being he point nang so dai na hang ni first point proposition or argumentation hili 30 points later shambada na debate liver kamasung khangui mang wam ne kan na ka thada no we idea ji hangshok shap klek ji wi ai ne yang ji ne o ga tu hi flat ne ji kan no point ji hang ji san ne ya na akba si nai o tu hi flat ning ne ngu mai ji ga round ne ji ga ji ja ji shu da no we point bing ji hang ji san ne je na hili refutation hili 30 points le lu ra hi Kiwangai na oktu hi flat sao or akpasin na kiwangai na oktu hi round sao ji point ni hang khong rok hili jena kokthumali effective questioning or appropriate answer jiga ara mover basin na hangi ji isiwi oktu hi flat ka sa hi hiwang na da hangga akpasin ai ka tha da oktu hi flat sagi da hangshok ji Hamda language wa hang ngai ai li hang bai English la hang bai tangpul la hang bai kala comedially now is self confidence gesture kala voice ada munranni munlo mulungwa ranni mungwat lo question sa adam jili no wi thada nana ga thada expression ni hla ji jili 10 points later kala kaphangali body language nana ga thada present sat lekhla chili 10 points later angta lisit kai points ringje proposition li 30 refutation li 30 effective questioning or appropriate answer li 20 now with self confidence gesture voice li 10 body language li 10 kala atam na shuro daw gi the minute matimang mira kothum jili warning boil mira kala khamti jili atam daura jilang da mtuel la point le bimra kala na thum hili na thum pen paper singbai kala ada hang ngai ba jili mover win number hi akpa ni da hang khai ji na thum ne yang i khui la ga hi bai li ba na ji hang bai kala mover wi first pali anam twingai phungga asama minute khani mira kupsar khai uthili na nam twingai phungga na answer pek sangai ka opponent la chap chada minute khani ili ngan hai le le la 4 minutes sir all the best. Mover will see number 1 no atom kuber.
Ari ina mover number 1 eh. Then ari ina duji topic here. Ina duji topic here. Impressing the diversity. Hi yo sungmunge. Hi kan sungle jiga ari itumna kok sada. Teng de da area teng de le sala itumna ning ak sal ga dong rok ga ak itum yak sar le da dam le. 이동리 송부름 삼미라 이동리 콕 사진에 이동리 금숭아 송부를 지금 송미 범라 근데 이동리 콕 사가 손에 이동리 콕 사히나 아가를 사이 큰이 오너래 샤가를 사이나 샤디 오너래 제나 콕 사이야 in whatever way 또 사이코로 왜나 콕 사이 뭐 이동 사이코로는 동풍래 제나 이동 아가 사살라 콕 사이나 석미追자 라나는 한 이송의 집 송의 그 China. Second point, Kokaksa or Itumwe diversity, or even though we are from different background, when we come to the diversity, we have to embrace one another so that whatever comes to us in our life, we have to face together, not by alone. So God made a man of a woman for a man, so that the proof is that two is better than one. So I agree in the embracement of the diversity. That is my point number 2. And let me say the third point. When we say about the diversity or embracing of diversity, we should say that when we have some achievements or when we know about any knowledge, when we give the knowledge to the friends or to our near and dear ones or to our neighboring villages or to those who are in the different area, I think it will not be just a profit of myself, but it will be profit for all the localities as well as my relative and the community as a whole. So I should say that embracing diversity is one of the biggest virtue that one should possess in his lifetime. So I think the point that I got here is a very good point for me and for every one of you. So point number 4, I should say once more that when we come to the diversity of embracement of diversity, it will improve a lot in every curriculum. Luik Varino or Ragdam Rino or anything. Other idung or cycle hina, cock cycle, jingly hikler, Kamahang Sarada in Sazangi. Thank you so much.
Number 1.
Very good evening, TKS. Good evening. Well, I am standing here to prove the statement, not embracing diversity has deprived Tangku of many achievements, is complete misunderstood and has wrongly narrated. And that's what I'm going to prove this evening. First of all, I would like to congratulate my fellow contenders and also appreciate our panel of judges for this evening. The very fact that we are here this evening is a living proof that we have acknowledged, accepted the importance and the nature of diversity. We have failed in not recognizing and not embracing God-given talents and potentials. Like me, most of us seated here this evening wants change in our life. Change is the need of this hour, especially speaking in the context of Tangku. We lack so much in achievement. When we talk about change, I'm sorry, I'll go with this. We all comes with unique sets of skills, talents, and ability. And as an individual, as each individual, we'll have to recognize our God-given talents and embrace it by giving a full zeal, striving, forging forward, and then giving your best, learning how to lead, being a leader without a title, embracing it consistently, persistently, with full integrity, which will help you give a sense of fulfillment, give a sense of satisfaction, which ultimately will help you acquire peace of mind. And our ultimate goal and achievement in our life should be to achieve a peace of mind. These days, to say this, common sense are very uncommon. We tend to place achievement as accumulation of more wealth, recognition from people, and getting more of accolade. I'm sorry, we have completely mistaken our life. What I want to say is, I want all of us to focus not on what you can receive from others, but what you can do for others, because life itself is a service. And all I want to say this evening is, let's recognize and utilize God's given talent, God's given potential, and focus not on competing, not on the looks of others, but focus on yourself, and you'll get the real achievement in your life. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Number 2, Moore.
Good evening, everyone. Ilip Layung Awushi Hoye in a ZKL when I represent Sani. Kala Arinya ili topic me I declare. Not embracing diversity has deprived Tangkul of many achievements. Topic li in 100% mayangaye. Remake up the diversity we pong in firstly opponent bashili hangs tingaye. Diversity jaga differences. It may be in culture or religion or any ethnic group. Yeah, he iwi achu statement he support sakfai in a point sak ni no downside le. Kray point sa the in a share sak ngai pava. Tangkul context li yang se jaga achu TKS jine kathalla itumi alung hile differences ZKL the kai rupai the kai ZTKL the ngateng te the kai wivang. Tangkul kokamasa rum leg chi hangaye kala rockmrat la traga shock pame ka kni sa da hili paisin sa laga rakta jiba shagaza even itumi shagaza lila or zing shova wa shagaza ka hi khira mi plungra or rupai wa chita plungra da hita rockmrat klewang in tangkul hi kokamasa rum ne thaya ka tha da tangkul hili achievement khira klek chi hangaye ka khni sa da family itum tangkul family lila amai agoto shimkur ava na prasa lila amai we year na hak maya we jiwangena just aming wang wa shimkur ne jika uglung li mring phang rok ta le ka shimkur li khoka masa ka society hi khoka masa remre society khoka masa ka wa achievement hi mukhira plung re chi hangai Manipur context ne hang se jaka hill area in a valley areas nang dalea. For example, CM na government of India na to the scheme trakarai kapunau bing ni samingai ka itum kapunau bing na atumui culture or religious difference layout with the diversity jili diverse salaga in the quick high chivang CM ni la boy got sai ka ka da kapungli reg sang khira klek ji opponent bashini clear samingai China, Arinya, in a Zingshow ila sure sa the challenge samni nika, whole as a whole tangku with challenge salaga. Itum saigora regsang hagsang kirase jakava. Miyaku we kangate difference, it may be in the call out to me religions law, chili ituna, focus masaila ka. Atumi difference chili unique salagaina, cashing rock line, respect salagaina, coca salagaina, octiaka. Kokas salary no jia cover achievement development no or adwada dong psychology achievement ni krare ji hangai kala koda ga hili paisin sala hangai yang alone we can do so little but together we can do much. Thank you.
Number 2, opponent.
Greetings, Mr. Speaker, respected Mr. Speaker, sir, my worthy opponent, and ladies and gentlemen. Earring ring that he, Mr. Speaker, sir, to against the given topic that not embracing diversity has deprived Tangkhul from many achievements. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is a very, very false concept for us to believe it. Kivanglo julaga Tangkhul no binga gertuse. Mr. Speaker, sir, iwi kare pointly Tangkhul no bina achi rushing the achievement yak sambangai dakle hi kivanglo julaga. For not embracing diversity, we Tangkhuls have conserved our social, cultural, unique identity, our land. Main kutum hi to preserve our conserve our individually to achieve kisai. Individually, I myself as a Tangkhul, I say that I have my unique identity. Even Tangkhul the unique identity like Tangkhul no being ralo. For integrated, we stand together. Tangkhul no being. Ashangan room like today, aren't we fighting for integrity? Isn't that it? So to my second point, Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to say this. For development in zonal areas and in our own land, Nui area, it's not cock Satam Trande, Nui culture, Nui identity, Nui Ngling, Hawi Vang. With the people, with lots of diverse people, diverse society, they try to take our land, but we have preserved our land and we say that it is unique. Juivangana atum itu mengelemlo quick by menimla. Itu mengelef forest save sadly Juivangana because we have preserved and conserved. Juivangana itu unique identity. We say we don't want your diverse people. We say we don't want your diverse society. Itu Tangkhul no bina. Mr. Speaker, sir, foreign influences listen except maksawi bang aji itu conserve salugo Tangkhul no bina. Yak kore sang dengening tak menimla. To my next point, Mr. Speaker, sir, the people, the foreign people, they know that we are unique. They know that they need us for their influences. Atumna itumi terrasai the te. Tangkhul no being terrasai the te. Kyuvang. Itum culture. Itum identity conserve sajena. Atumi itumi diversity itumi culture him shukwilaga itumi atingli sakwa sapung red hangi. Mr. Speaker, sir, if points hangai the legally are we to my opinion to my worthy opponent akana hangi, Mr. Speaker, sir. Diversity the Klevang to Koka Sangsage the Hangale. Mr. Speaker, say this is a really false concept. I want to challenge this to you and to all the people. Diversity in diversity there are two colossus. There is one, inclusion. There is another 2 points. Second point is equity. Inclusion, equity, Himalaya to Juvana, Aji, India diversity, we Vangana wrote racism, discrimination, and killings, rappings. India say diversity, unity in diversity. But till today, nobody has done that. To my second point, Mr. Speaker, sir, if you watch your opponent, Akana, it is the Hangli Shitale. Achi, east, west, north, south, Kaidali. Mr. Speaker, the TKS na achi rung daklehi, Tangkhul no being akamang egg to the survival of the fittest, Tangkhul no being ralo, Kokayanga Salaga itum, the day the Kipakui influences Mukila, unity in diversity, diversity influences Kadewi Mukila, Ishitangkhul no akamang, survival of the fittest, Sakaquilaga, selection Salaga, Kipakri Notakam Sala, chance Miligatum, Ryonghan Salaga itum, Kunte, diverse Salakai contributing itum, Hankai Achi sports room idaklehi, Kuvanga. So, to my Mr. Speaker, sir, there is first impression. We watch your opponent, Mr. Speaker, your first impression to impress Malay, impress what I say. Your first impression is your first imperfection. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, given topic, not embracing diversity, has deprived Tangkhul. It's a very total wrong concept for us, but rather it has led us to achieve more. Thank you.
Number 3, mover.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Respected judges, speaker, and my old friends gathered here. My name is Chukmi Lunglang, representing the Zengdun Tangkhul Kadam Nalong. I came here I came and stand here before you all as a firm believer of the given topic. Not embracing diversity has deprived Tangkuls from many achievements. Ara itumna itumi diversity embrace mak saw wangai na itumi li achievements mkura baim nagaji itumna points yang dang room sa create ada mutumi na taimilu itumna diversity itumi diversity embrace mak saw wangai na itumi political achievement mkura baim ne. Yes, it is natural to have a political party in politics. Kaitum zone khailaga abam wiji khailaga itumna conservative halagaina leader baji candidate baji kachikha mi kala awa jamaram kala goals ji itumi wang makana kala ka thara kala jima thaila conservative halaga itumna ashi ishi khailaga vote sang khami ju wangai na itumi the best leader ji itum magabang garamane. So not embracing diversity na itumni political failure hurang sage kakni point sada mutumi na thaimilu development in zonal areas abam category like east, west, north, south of Tangkul. Rajbak, Westbak development like Shongfu Semaga itum Tangkul hi Makadom Rogla issuine the kind Roglaga Tangkul Westly Shamdagli like East Vivangne. La North Lagal South Vivangne Mamning like Tum Kunta Fai Sang Roge Chain a Jigtaw Vine itumli development Mrabaimane Gagatuma Point Sada Madume resources. Itumna resources he like itumili gachungkale for example Longbi ham he ara ayar like sporta laga gachungka powdale aming zalaga in le he itumna diversity ji embrace sa saw wangai na yaka achievement quick shabne kala itumna thaye gaja abama khali he resources he valuable saye da he laye ja tham jana itum tang kunawa ashiwiji issue la issue ne ashina khlai ji tang khu ne dal maphning haila kha itumna issue ne ashu ne da ngapaing rok la itum li circulate sang sak laga itum li achievement kurang sak mane committee points sada matume culture and tradition kala culture and tradition jadam ji tharan kachikthara makhawi phaijak hi ayarli exhibit sangaida or aming zalhaya kai thum hi ashwi phaijak ji arami phaijak ji aram thada represent mathada claiming ne ka as a whole Tangkul represent thada claine jai nai thumna ashwi phaijak ji exhibit sangaya kha itumna mangkhun tang roglawa support sa ek janga ekala for example dress jaga kashana kha ji gajon baji mathai jaga ashwine dang buying roke but as a whole Tangkul we need them opening mane itum as a whole Tangkul need the puning sig jiva we can like export them with the IG deck kala sports even in sports for example Indian Super League diversity Tangkul hili ngriok theji amang maning ne jaina itumna shograda gleng ngriok thei daglei razang khai itum jungla zang dleye itumni financially support la salaga embrace salaga diversity ji itumna ashishim khaila embrace salaga support khadam tharan itumna achieve saragi ji hangai ne kalaknau sada phangda khai points atishuda Tangkul as a whole is a unity in diversity, and so the achievements we have got is all because of the embracing the diversity, and the things we cannot be achieved is all because we can't embrace diversity. Thank you.
Number 3, Abonin.
Lekhyang ajin Tangkul gutam naulong conference ila sanghai gchivili memethi da lekhyang jin hangai ina ngatei da leida khlei thumi komo ya apam la achak la ochak la ka sakha la Tangkul masen la leida khlei hi a khaina kha impress sang rok la re sangbai re or ithum development achievement khura bai ji hi ina ponena sal la jiwa yo ne da hangai ga jiwa yem mi ga thiba ji musa that ne da phet mi ba ma taw re khaina na thumli re me thi da hangai khiwai na diversity impress masa ka bai hi ra ta khla ga ji na thumli ina hang stengai why except impress masang rok thu Tangkul masen la kalai thum ring nai pom da hli meite or khangte masa bai thu gi hi khiwai na khla gi phaptang sakai meite ni thum impress masang rok se sa bai la impress sang rok ki phunggi ji ne คืออีทุ่มมีชวนมาถึงเนคุยมีไอ้อีทุ่มมีสังพังรันอินเดียว่าจริงอีทุ่มปั๊มเลยก็เลยอินเดียวิจิลีสเตทว่าลงนี้มันนี่ปวดลงนี้ทุ่มเลยสังพังรันมาถึงเนคุยใส่แล้วก็อีทุ่มมาถึงนี่อิมเพรสซ่าแล้วก็อาทุ่มนารุคุยเฮอร์มีก็จีใช้แล้วก็ปั๊มรันละอีทุ่มตั้งคนเราอีเครจันลี่สาวกับเราฟูเลียนตั้งแต่เอาวิเชียร์เขาฟูบัจลีเอาวิเชียร์มีนักเลยดิจับใจนะก็อีทุ่มน่ะ diversity embrace นี่เดิมไม่เต้นเอาเลยชูแล้วก็อาทุ่มน่ะสารคุยน่ะก็ตายจีเฮอร์ก็อีทุ่มตั้งคนใช้ปั๊มตัวแล้วคนเนี่ยไอ้ตั้งเดียอินก็คืนนี้เลยหางไง Miss Mover number 2 นะข้างท่าเด้อรถเพย์จริงชัวร์จะขายได้อีกทีท่าเด้อรวมร้านนี้ทางคิดว่ามันขายกี่เด้อขายพุ่งกี่เนี่ยก็ขายป่ะก็ขายโลจีนะทุ่มเลยขายก็เงินเตี้ยวโลเด้อก็ขายโลเด้อก็ขายนิ่งเต้นทุ่มเลยขายเด้อเลยไอเดียว่านะวะ administration มาทำอีกแล้ว East West ท่าเด้อ administration leader ท่าก็บังแล้วก็โคกซ่าแล้วก็จะ emission ทำอีกไหมก็ขายได้ขึ้นทุ่มขายก็ท่าเด้อจากสิ่งเราขายก็ขายนี่เด้อมันจุกตัวเลยเด้อจีพับตาฟุ้งทุ่มโย่อีทุ่มมีครีนมาขมังอีจีมั่มไรให้สิมั่มไรให้เสียงก็ใกล้ฮิลิคิซาก็ใครฮิลิคิซาแต่ conflict เลยฮะ conflict เลยฮะทาง development มันรับไปมี achievement มันเลยนี่ก็เลยขมาทำชกนี่นั่นน่ะซาตะเลยโอสักจีมีกระเตลี่มีน้ำก็เลยซาจืสักตะเลยเขาก็ถาดอันนี้ except ซาโลอีทุ่มนี่ impress อีทุ่มนี่ก็ต้มโลดหังไปเรื่อยๆสิข้อขมาหาตัวนี้จีเลยยัง political failure sorry อ่ะทางหังนักเลย miss number 3ตั้งคุณข้อซาได้ NBF เลยก็ต้มเลย NBF ก็ทุ่มไกลเลยพอยังอีทุ่ม leadership ก็ปังกะก้าฮิเล singularity ก็ละ plurality นะหังไงอีทุ่ม individual อะไรคนอัตมฮิเลโอ้ทุยลี successful ซ้ำมีครบจีบาฮีอัตมก็สังเคราะห์เอาไว้ก็ยิ่งตกลิบไม่ได้ไงยังจีพับตาสิอีทุ่มตั้งคุณเลยก็เทียมก็สกเตลิบินจีไทยวอัทุ่มนั้นมาทำอีกก็จีโอสักโชคฮีมีวิดีไซน์นี่ก็บิมซ้ำเนี่ยก็มีดีลิมังสันมันเนี่ยเอาวิอันนั้นเอาวิมีวิ opinion เลยก็ต้มยัง approval มาพัฒนาเนี่ยก็อันนั้นรินนักจิมส่งเดลิใจก็อันนั้นจิเลขวานแล้วก็ achieve สาร singularity เป็นยัง individually นั่งเนี่ยก็ most of the revolutionary development invention สกตัวเลยฮีก็มีดีเนี่ยพักสกมันเล่มเนี่ย group as a group เนี่ยพักสกมันเล่มเนี่ยก็ team นั่นมันนี่ก็ in a plurality เป็นเนี่ยมาทราบไปเนี่ยจริงๆทราบไปเอ๋ก็จี individual แล้วก็ contribution ไม่ได้เลยมาทราบไปเนี่ยตั้งคนมาเซ็นนั่นแหละอีทุ่งเงินเต้งเต้งเดินเล่งโรเกอัดจักเล่งเงินเต้งโรเกโคกสัตว์เลยก็ชิมลุงจังงี้ละ individual ที่ตระกัดสักแต่ชิมลุงแล้วก็นุ่งจุดเองละนูครีนเลยเงินเต้นั่นน่ะเอาวันนี้มาถ่ายเดมีกันขนาดจักสีดังเลยเงินเต้เดินเล่งโรสักทีจีพับตั้งสังไงแต่นี่อีทุ่ง individual ที่ตระกัดสัก individuality ที่ยังอินะอาจิวฮิลีนั่นทุ่งจิบลีอยู่ conclusion ซาดหังไงบ้างนะวะอีทุ่งคนนี้โทษ millennial age เรียกกับพระบิงก็ขังแล้วมาขังเทมเนี่ยขี้ขลุ่มมีวิลีคนอะไรจะมาเล่มนี่ดหังเอมินะมาชงอยู่ว่าอีทุ่งคิดว่าขังเสียอีทุ่งมีวิ approval มีวิ embrace มีเน embrace ซ้ำมีเน accept สั่งอะไรบางช่วงที่ละอีทุ่งหดนารันมาชงจีเทเลใจก็มาชงจีรินเลยก็อีทุ่งคำมาชงจีรินมวยบาลุชิเสียอีมาอยู่สิมก็ลุชิเสีย thank you
Number 4, mover.
Good evening. First of all, I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude and my respect to all the respective judges and one and all presented here. Not embracing diversity has deprived Tangkuls of many achievements. He mushung lakai topic ni. Kala itu mu topic hi mapaptar topic hi pai mapam neximum tirang laga remiti do topic hi understand sare fase. Topic hi vasa makeup kuchu topic akane da hangai kala hili individual diversity, social diversity, cultural diversity da inili hangai. Remiti the individual diversity li no focus ase. Not embracing diversity individually hanglo jaka itu mi avav hi kucha we inborn skill, kucha we uniqueness, kucha we talent ngawasere. Kala itu mui mi ga hai itu mui inborn skill, inborn talent hi embrace masa ka thei wiwangai na itu mu alung le khangatai diversity klai embrace masa ka thei wiwangai na tangkul achievement masam ga pangai. Here example sa da hanglo ka ari hon tangkul li la masa ka thei mi ga singer sa da le mi wi talent nga pai ga sa tal le je. Itu na diversity hi kucha we sa ka thei và cái thing người ta share gì này diversity itum na achievement cái gì doctor IS li achievement mo hôm này itum ni mi cái hai talent gì chỉ sinh quy cái sắp chỉ li achievement hoye itum na doctor engineer sa cái pai ban rut mi đó na ram ne ki ban da shaktiman thau mi ra khi ta ye diversity mang ấy cái chỉ li mi hai được lấy inborn skill hi itum hi diversity ni hi embrace sa cái thing na sa ko khuye na itum mi li achievement ko isam mang rai kala social bak li itum na mu chung ngum se as a social bak we azing hili diversity ku chung galera economic bak le lera kala itum mi tangkul namang sala la shang atei ngate ye or ada itum ethnic groups ngat khangate ku chung galai pa me economic bak li yeng sei as itum mi otpam ga phali or economic diversity ku chung galai ka shang kai ga กระจำไกกันเลยก็เลยอดปั๊มกับพากจีไปซ้ำมาจังกับมาซากับไปไปสักจังหนามั่งอยู่อดปั๊มกับปังกับไทยก็ว่า economic diversity กระจำนาวพิงส์ลิบ achievement อักลำมั่งมีเดล่ะอีตัวมี diversity เขาเลยหิวังนี่ achievement มาสัมพันธ์ในก็จะฮิว่ามั่งขังกับปัตตตุยนี่ก็เลยตัวมีอาดังเลยตัวมีopponent number 2นั่นแหละหางไง north east south west กับใครในตัวมี diversity ลิขิกับachievement ลิขิกับมาริมเล่มนี่เด้อ no อีตัวมีลิยังโล example ละก็ซะเด้ออาจารย์ก็มี miss ลุงจันกับปังวิจิมาที่ Facebook ลิ quality ขมาท่าบาจลิมากับปังกามนัว voters พิงเจin north เนี่ยจากกัน north ลิมีจังกันจังอีว่ามิงฮีหัวเย่เด้อยาริมังอาลี proud สักละกันมาหังกับชับมีจีอาลีอามาทำไมตุยอาลี support ใส่ได้กับหังเดลฮี diversity ละฮี diversity embrace กับสักคนละฮีอีตัวมี diversity อาลุงนี่ขายช่วงจีเลย in the south ใน in the west ในก็จีอาลุงนี่ communal feelings เลยฮีมาขังกับปัตตุยนี่ online ลิpainting competition ใช่นู้ฟื้นเยอะแล้วก็นายงก็ชกปัจจัยอามาทำไมตุยได้หังเลยคิดวังเลยจีก็ว่าอาชีวิต zone ใส่เด้อ he embracing diversity จีเลยหัวละมีวิตาเลนทรีผมมีก็ให้ขมาท่าบาจลิ support มาซะเลยอีชิ zone ไหนได้อาลีสามีก็ให้ก็เลย cultural diversity ลิตรงนี้ยังงุ้มเสอีตรงนี้ไปจักก็จุงก็เลยก็เลย represent กับซาจำจะทรานตั้งคุณไมค์ก้าไฟมาซะเลยรำไมค์ก้าไฟกับซะเลยจุงก็เลยพวกมันไม่ไปใน cultural diversity วินี่ก็เลยขังกับจังซะเด้ออีตรงนี้ขังกับใต้ diversity อาลุงนี่เลยเด็กเลย he embrace มาซะกับเทวิวังไงเนาะไม่ขำมาซ้ำพังมันเองก็จะเลยเย็ดตะเลยพิงฮีอาจจะตั้งคุณลีไม่ขำมาซ้ำกับพังฮีอาจจะมี responsibilities คุยแล้วนิ่งสลากเลย
Number 4 opponent.
My hero tickets. Every debate we topic na not embracing diversity has deprived Tangkos of many achievements. In opponent number 4, in Ningale, kalau topic hingi ite in Ningale. Recap the hangai gajiva diversity hi any society or community va like sashon re ka khamtai va fair competition kalau cooperation le ekwa ot kadong he achieve sa bai chili hangai kalau isi tang kul hang se jika isi missing he 2 lakhs mang se ka ta kya diverse ak jang le ari mai te ka me yang tha va diversity ashi atumba le gi hang bai isi tang kul jang mi te no mang ga jiba ji phap tang sangai kalau north east west south kaji isi north east west si akli ak na sat la ka sportsly east pashina west ni ra ga sat ra la you see la la maradalim se atang dikesli north east west dang te dang dale north east west idumi east now na achievement ak ku dale ka idum la ring pha dale se kala idumi aya ka shok adam ni ahi myang naw bing na ari je foreign naw bing na chibaji north wi tangku ne mi jin ne se tangku ne ji dale de zakshi sa la tangku ji dale de jana ari ari achievements wak hangai achievement si itum khiwang achievement sa embrace diversity embrace maksa wangla hiwang wilak dali de recap the itum achievements wat khai khiwang le jikawa kathana makhamsung corruption dirty politics fit maksa kathana ko khuika dali ga katha da khangje khura bai gida jithai ga chi diversity embrace maksa le hang bai la jen ji ari Mr. Speaker le jbachim chumilo you point next sa da hangai ga chiwa idumi achievements maglahi tangku embrace diversity embrace magzain amaning ne wo kha kachijak leta degrading morals ari khrana national pham da lijine kajiban khrana kajiban national gala chiling so da decades kse garai re main sat idum achieve maglahi alcoholism ari drug shijing rok tale thaga thada achievements aura idumi hina idum list teknen sang sak dak leno laga ina next li hangai kajiwa Ari isi tangku ini still traditional way of living. Acha laga tada kering tada ring fit lede. Run kasa taga kata achievement kera pai kita. Taga hi diversity embrace maksala. You next point sa tahangai leader lagi jiwa. Alungli land and internal disputes. Ram alungli kon jar le ngale khang pai la or ram li khang mula ki kamak ning li ari resources man lede. Laga itu mi social tension ni ada achievement saki jibalim sa jinwa ka hi bai diversity embrace mak samning ni wo next point sa hangai leader lagi jiwa lack of education itu achievements mak le hi lack of education in ra kai ni education quality education ma le thure ka than lam than the ka shul lam shu the chithai ka ta khang je khura gi da laga ina khet ngai ga jiwa athang ji hang da rot khamrat ram wi ramramui rot khamra thi na ramramui rot khamra thi itum nam chuk sai jiga wa ramjui ma kap shung ne wa kala manipuli diverse sai da itum li scheme ta ma khning ma min je hi kathan na corruption ka sai na maning la kata jang bai gida kala John li ari wot sai da khamtha candidate mak bangka bai ni je in ka sai law thai da in wot ba sang da ka jai bai im thai da wot sang bai la chana last adi na hangai ka jiwa itum diversity ba hayo se embrace mak zawi somebody na itum cultural traditional uplift stories jiba wa really British we like ka pi hai itum tang khun law bi unique sai honest sai courageous sai de jiba je nang ral ok thi se ni shilager
Number 5.
Ya sigba ya mtime. Musuno khiyam ne ding kada razan khaya ya recycle ro kada sanau bing. Ina hiling da ye. Not embracing diversity has the bright uncles of many achievements here. We jao hai to big ne jing ning phai khra ne. Kyuwa khla ila. Na ili ma phrarang laga wina awo yu to wina tang khul wing shan lai khai ne. Riyan lai khai ne. Riyan di phap mak da wina aza thum na. Hi rag khet ne hi mover basin ne hi. Riyan jili tang khul wi riyan ga tai da lai la. Tang khul wa khane wo. North, west, south, da khai salala. Yan da khadai. Culture, no culture. Your culture, your identity. That is your customary law and practice need here. Never forget that. Hine yuwe luni hang hai wa. A yar ngalai li zadada. Na hip hop mak daw wangina. A yar li zadra. A yar wi la. Higla ja tu ming chan nam hop ma daw ma. Shimli na shimli no we iwing shani ki grada zil pa mak daw wangin azu no winning li no the self sa khaila no da khang si le wangina ning de wangina azu niwi yarui rin ni wala da no winning de jina ara as awai da laga a winning ni ju ki thai wo ning na khle ning ma kui khar jam yarui li la yarui lam tha lam za khar hi winning khra ni atumna North West South hita tra kham tu ye ya mur basina serial number 2 la lam tu ye 3 la lam tu ye kai khak le da zon ka khai dui man da idu khok sa jing le ga wa no wi phai jak yu phai jak tai da khai thue la yen ga tai da khai thue la tang khok sa jing da le ye kai hili ina khana wa sa de ina feedback ni khai ba idum khni do na ina initiative fil ga He, Tanguli Literature Society li. Tanguli, lay the player. Tanguli Romney, lay the player. What am the Tongli? It took me young he. At South curriculum li. Number 1. Number 2 li. It took me traditional dress here. It took me the shun here. Traditional dress things he lay young. Then you say, uniform here, are you chacha color chacha, some fight a gum samne. Here the ya cover. Now stopping the no you culture he kine. No you yani hilamoji papdare. Myang Indian ari mundale. Indian itumi high school way the win itum India we history them delay constitution riyan them delay. Kan tangkul wa kisa them sam tugla. Ina tangkuli romli class 6 in the month of guide in a magtega. Kai ina kayang taradba. Mazang lag mudale ne wo last time we the payang air class in the we mazang lag mudale ne sina curriculum ni hi sang ming sang ai talaga na loga culture day dala jang culture day dala yon ming sang ai school ni la hi tha kha ba idum pho sa jing re mi ning li khai ji khai yon mang ye jin hi wi jaw ga hai topic nei ji ni phai khra ni sla ga
Mover number 1 na tam khungai ra minute khani.
Ina mover sungai ne. Ina iu conclusion ina hangai point kutum le. Number 1 point. Ari itumui tangkului itumui impress itum khok kom sak thai itumui dei le sala itum hi compromise sa itumui akhane dam khu thai wangai na. Phanga le sa ja ba akmangai re. Mati le sa ja ma le tu re. Chena itum na Kaza kusang kre jiga wa point number 2 hao ge jili itum no ka kusang kre jiga dong ro kok sal ka ka chaw akui dei da kle identity or like itum we samai chon vai or itum we luivat dei ro sal la akhanida khokum sarang khain da wa tangkur hi wa reksam ukram rog ji iwi seksam khakle et isumi reksam khasa ji khawa khok kasar kala akhain akhi ngte abom nang deng de le sala akhanak je no kui ngok so sa ni shakar
opponent number 1 nan da khunga ga.
Well, once again, I'll have to give this point. We not embracing diversity has led to great achievement, I should say, to talk against. It maintains our one's identity as Tangku. And for example, the very example that can be given about Uru. Uru comprises of different individuals with different characters and with different ideas. If we have to go with the diversity, embracing of diversity, we'll have to do away with the ideas of different individuals. But here, because we don't embrace individual ideas and individuals' thoughts, each person can contribute their own ideas and their own thoughts put together, and then they work as a group, and then they are very successful today as they are able to host and they are able to give us this platform. So yes, not being maintaining the diversity is a great achievement in a way, because it gives us creativity as an individual, and our individuality is maintained as a person, and we should work as an individual, not for ourselves but for the betterment of society. Thank you.
Issue topic hi ada confusing sana yang jena athangai na kahang thada not embracing je isum the if the zangai sa si ja thada nege chapai me khargi sa the thei jidla ka thau ra ko mak sau jing pha hi jing pha bom dit la ni ma jo point bing ji just bing na ki ga calculate saman le ga just bing la thum ya tam ji ka khurun.
Hello. Kresada, congratulations. Hangai sir, kudong li. Debate topic mi tran ngaphat kapai topic shon ni. Ngaphat pai gi ju vai na debate topic jik shok ni. Jogi da iwi thai khuilia mathalai na attempt sang ro ge da khuye. Debate li ariwi debate sa hai li pangla kai na la mahang lui ge result ya shama last ko ba ba shok naw re. Chỉ có vào sân bay tròn bay khi cái yang cái thì li, cái sao đó debate sao cơ, units being cái tầm nào long cái thằng nào being rasa rau cái đấy hi hangai na này, debate sao cơ orientation kami milo participants being li, cái là chẳng rồi dễ cái vào internet li check sao là cái data khi mà mấy lấy research sao cái khi mấy lấy chỉ bảo hiểu debate sa ga khuigang sangai ji prepare sang sangai Google li check sak leo da pui da le da lenar hon nextly phaula khai quotes quotations famous personalities being na hang khai quotations iba khuigang sangai topic teu la khai khua hamang wi topic misala la ayar wi mina phaula khai being na hang khai issue strak le relate sa jikha ji khuigang sangai nextly debate kesatran no we points na number 2 ngai prepare sa khai ko tong hi le ka kham du ji secondary nei points jungdam sa mong nei na na ma thamai to ji prepare sa la le kam du ta sa rai la ga ta khai tran je na li points bi ji sakla ge debate sai je ga ba no we opponent ba le question here san ge ji nei kala no we opponent ba na li question here san tran ji khui la ga sa ma ka tha da kang han chan ra le ji ba ji ji prepare sai nei je na debate sai je ga research track sa la ra kha ba ngan ga ji pai mai ithumui debate gzali kadam naw long tra hui evenly isili uru basili ho da cha chonai re tada katot la gai na cái thằng đó nó cao rồi hồ kỳ là cả track lấy original nó thùng nó track hay ngay lấy đấy prepare một tháng sao là cái ram đi được lấy track thấy quê rồi ý bây giờ đã tăng sắc ngày competition sao ra gì cơ 아주 willi isina topic embracing diversity the TKS na team sa da mi gai ne azu wi TKS conference with team embracing diversity ne ka khlat ba ba I thum willi diversity embrace sa la sang rai ri ji team ma sha ji na thei dak le ne ko ko sa la ga ring pha lai za ra sai da la hang ba ye ka debate sa khwe wang jo gi da term ji isina na tei da coin sa khwi ne trên A thằng người học học tâm lý cái confusion cái gì chú vay khăn này thì bây giờ stone lý tra hình như nhau ấy ninh xin ấy đấy last in a mahang rằng là cái extempore rằng cái gì mình chỉ xong tam miêu rồi thì vì sai chỉ lý tăng ninh miêu rồi extempore rằng cái gì cái đông cơ cho các thằng miêu gì literary event này Adam xin làm mấy đó xong nào đó lên nữa rồi trust basi ya event here cái sắc cái thùng gì cái thằng cục sang gì lấy đó xong cái phụ lỡ bom đó lên này extempore okay hivak ba tabing hivak tam yolo kedabing hili tam yolo example wiji okay kana osada urutras na chance of debate competition da ukhulli district level or tangkhului level ai na competition sa jinge ajigum me katangmak pa or chunli salui re jena rajang misar lo chili debate ka salak lei ji isinalo orientation mira round khni chi sa ye cái đông li welcome say trên này hili isu winning rin baba itu mui tang khun lawi sim li so now year now tuing phat ka jati health team salam ni thada khang phat ni rei ka sang hiram ni jena debate ka sa ran ka la ngaphat dang phat ka tuim thu thei ka je na ka thada ka la ka thada prepare sa ra ji isina shem jon ra rajang misar log ji hangai psychology ning sinai re okay example basi hibak ba kamila goljo
hello in English ko interrupt sa okay shanwai chonwai ke chithei wi wang RKL ina sansa RKL ina sansa na ni serial number ra khwi milo RKL ina sansa serial number ra khwi milo
okay debate na example wi je tui English ena tangkhul mana try la kai khi om lem ne grammar khi li check salam ne points mang le focus hai ne extempore wi la points mang le focus are tangkhul la English lam dui the sare re tangkhul dui la them sare jena points pa limor me focus are ju okay athum lo chut le la ha issue we Facebook page uru trust da jade chili follow sa miser lo debate we update sara sare within 1 month we alungli chili follow sai ga isin na program je hidai je Facebook we throw na chat mi man re
Yao mai lo. Oh, participants ping mang pom tak le mai de. Okay. Literary midway final event ne hi extempore ne or extempore da la chate. Jana extempore or extempore hi quick up myself say. You need to go away. Participants ping itu mistake mo ka bo mai re. Participants ping criteria him talaga ng namilo. Point number 1. Adam, you are allotted 2.5 minutes. Minute kani tang khai tum ni mi dala ye. Minute kani ta khai tharan. Pel akshi da shaw mi re. Pel shaw khai tharan. Na 30 seconds mang wat dala je phap tam yaw lo. Ji thai ka na conclusion mi khwai saw lo. Jena point number 1. Judging criteria. Judge kasa atamli key points mamili yang reklay gajitaran. First, nawi creativity, nawi points, nanamutwidak lejli. speech without preparation kaji sau with the presence of mind li or nana no experience na point kya ka topic nana ka pangkhui khai jili muchuk shok shok le kaji jili 50 points le re 50 points ka khani ali no we fluency hili pronunciation la chang khai ne no we ka sheng ya really kya ka fluency da phap tang sak shop da le kaji hi jili 20 points 20 Kagtumali, na we self-confidence. Na yari li ka kanganing hili na kya ka confidence hakle. Yari li na kya ka charismatic sa shop kle. Yari li kya ka na nang kun kui shop kle ji li yang re. Comedy kala last pa hili na we gesture, na we voice, kala na we body language. Hili 20 points. Creativity li 50 points. Fluency 20 points, self-confidence 10 points, gesture, voice and body language 20 points. Total he 100. Okay. Nana speech deliver satharan. Tangkul du na sabai English na sabai. Tangkul gijip sau with the tangkul line la sang sagai ko nana English and sagai jila ko gaim le lab ne. Okay. First speaker na awi topic ki Rashupra ana hi shupkwe laga ali minute khani mire prepare sakbai chili yarwina corporation ko mi milo ji minute khani ji ana full kwinga ka kui or meaning ka ana ready sai ka mutui bai khai ne ji laga first speaker bajina mutui phokleu da serial number 2 baji iwi hilira laga no topic ji Rashup ko go jine laga chin minute khini chop jate prepare sa bai likhai ne chithai ka and it goes on that continuation wow go jine round khini re top 4 khire top 4 jina second round li first second wang untaki jine na hilik shok tharan iba hiam thalakan na lo na hilik shok tharan ki ka introduce salo na li thai khai ne I serial number here can I topic the hine the direct there will be negative marking if you reveal any of your unit identities. Pop that lay 5 minus later coaching. Pop that ray repeat in sali guy. Yarina minute kani serial number 1 li Kakshi Kamisada topic prepare sak by Konmazarla. And I say serial number 1 you liramilo.
The topic is family values in Tangkhul context. Family values in Tangkhul context. In the world of society where a small village where we live, a small family village where we live on this earth, What is the value that we have in the family looking in this 21st century context? Look back centuries, what is the value of the family, and now what is the value of the family? One thing, the first point that I want to point out is that we don't have much values in the family in this world. Things which does not values the family is that we say to the children in a family, in our society, or in our children in a family, we say hey, you are just a kid, you don't know anything. But one thing I want you to make you understand, that a child can correct us and a child can give us a lesson. When you can give a child a lesson, why not a child can't give you a lesson? We have lost that kind of values in our family these days. And older people like me, like you, here in the young TKS young generation guys, we look down on the kids, we look down on the children and say, you're just a kid, don't correct me. I want you to listen. It's a family. Be a loving family. Correct them. Appreciate their correction. Take the values. Take their correction. And be a happy family. Thank you so much.
Serial number 2.
Hello, like yang zin. As a lucky topic na, physical obviously complain mabasala, social media li open later kapi kapam. Ki topic ki relevant sala kai topic agane. Remiti da itu mi topic ki understand sa wise. Kasi ba ari honi example aga sa da any officials agane mistake aga sa yelo. Ada MLA aga no or government employees under li later clay civil servants being or chief minister aga. Atumina yari we tada katana ka sadak le yari na zakthai dak le atumna aka khangui ka satran physical officially complain ma wasala social media li ka pibam ada mai social media yi strong sala ka healthy sala ka social media we khong chona ni tum khang jai ku chungo khira pai ku ji ba ma khang pat ni khawa itumi apam atam gojing ba jidla social media hili mai hiwi ka phawa akwa khang lo ja ka ba social media hiwi na khang jai wave ta du khira pai social media li kapi ka kaina akana share sama man akana comment sama man jaina jiwa knowledge idea jila haksang sak man kala itumna direct na mawa shungkra or minister we don't know tada government officials ping jile direct na mawa shungkra atum office li mawa shung laka letter ji mawa ni sangrar salala itum social media hi through na itum ning ka jang khi kala ka ji atum li jithai ki sapui hi platform akane kala hi zakashi point ka hanglo ja ka ba. Yes, social media hili itum na tada kapigpam nei. Kapipam salan ni pings na mang nam ya ka khlat ma leis dila. Kache ba itum physical sala ga na wala ka itum maning ka chang or jik tha ji direct ga na wala ka atum ba hang shok sin pham ye. Hiwi direct himang maning la. Example la ka sa da itum na shongfully accident a ka shok la ka mam ya khangai. Accident jili shok la ka yam ga hai mi ji tada sa ka pai khudak jili apam jili accidental sports jili itum na sa ka pai or other first aid no or other hospital tali kui balaga kan khawai ka sabam ning la ngalang da social media open sa laga kapi bam kita ka chung le bam mai jena hiwi ka phala ma ka phala le bam mai direct social media wi khang chone na or re ka sang lo kirang sa kai social media wi khang chone na ma ba ka shung pause la ba shung sa kai hiwi ka phala ma ka phala le ka pe kai tum na sa gi ba ba conclusion ni na hang hai ba ba apam atam ying la ka hiba hi sa ka phara hiba hi ma sa ka ma pham ra gi ji apam atam thela ga na shi chung sa ngai. Thank you.
Actually, my high topic is Nishaban in Dangkul region. It's my biggest problem and the worst situation that we are facing every young generation. Nisha shikchin hi one of the problem ne the thegui itum na nishaban in Tangkhul region jikaba pray now ping ne or kuchikatha club na or student union na nishaban satle ka in hangkangai ba we must start individual from us from the family we must educate every child to awareness of nisha chitha da bansa ka itum na yarui wi mangali itum na kiki campaign zat laga itum na ban kasa chichina itum ni kika kan kram kram re itum na Tangkhul region ni nisha ban sa da gi chishong ba na chung mai da zate only the outlook pali zatle alung bali mazang la ka itum na alung ni zang la ka the region hi tharwing saksila jikhawa itum ko tong hi aware sa bong re itum wi naung ra tong hi nisha hi mi jin ba mai ji from the very young age when itum atum ni hang se bong re aja itum na Tangkhul region ni awa ba na zam yor laga anauli zam mamang lo da hang dale awa ba na ariere shai laga anauli ariere mi shai lo da hang dale hi thalaga nisha ban hi mazang ram re aja nisha ban sa se jikhawa itum na sok tak lay itumui society li lay dak lay psycho re hi thar ku se jikaba kacha individual na hopogre ji hangai kala aja nisha ban hi sa se jikaba itumui hiwi border area li lay dak lay kala itumui ngatei dei li lay dak lay atum psycho re we trade zakshi mark itumni influence bad influence hada li hi awareness sabung re itumna mai lay tan pung re itum paisa hi lay pung re kha itum Kamata apong ay nasad say ito mo next generation ibang it is everyone's responsibility to take a step ni siya hi mashitin kwahi itum tongho responsibility ni ji hangay kala itum na ni siya gaji hiba itum ni pa ngasak laga marjib ngasak laga itum future generation ni kachung ka saza da hi itum step kui pungre kala Thakoran na thekui seji hangai kala Tangkhul region ni nishaban nisha shikjing hi half of them were affected China Thakoran necessary step we say for our next generation juwang hangai Thakoran ni share
Serial number 4 and my topic is the slow death of Tangkhul culture. Where and when have we seen our community, our people, proudly going somewhere, showing off our clothes, our identity, and our culture that is unique to us? Where? When has it ever happened? Have it not been for your freshers meet in the colleges? Have it not been for your freshers meet in the universities or the farewell parties? Have you ever flaunted when you go to a church or an evangelical fellowship? No, right? Owing to the failure of our parents and families also. We are not even taught to be proud of who we are and what we really represent. It is not just the red clothes or the beautiful mekhalas or the bead necklaces that we showcase to promote our culture and then be proud of it. We have to be taught at home who we are, what we are, where our roots are, what is our ingenuity, and we have to know our indigenous roots. Only then we can promote who we really are and what we really want to present of ourselves and to let this community know. Individual showcast not alone will help, but as a society, we need to be really aware of what is going on. When Kuki people can flaunt their traditional clothes into some modern wear, or they can showcase their communities, good things so proudly. Why can't we? Why do we just stick to some farewell parties or social identities so that we can promote this culture of ours? It has to start with ourselves. We have to change our mindsets. We have to change the mindsets of the community individuals and the elders as well. We have to be taught. And we need to really go on forward with this thought that it is not just the slow death of Tangkhul culture that is attributed because of our knowledge of ourselves. But this has to be taught in schools also, and I would like student leaders of all units to take a part in it. Thank you.
Serial number 5, iwi topic na Tangkhul luiramli artificial fertilizer sikiji. Itumna la thaye itumna kopilui kasagtha pailui kasagtha li harshijin laga jingum juwang wa itum thada mupung phalakin lingshai rekha Malaysia next year ka thaba thata next year ka thawang sa simana we kala itum la lui ka thali sikjena tamli itumi lui li sikjin laga
jiwi lui jiwi na long shot the play teruji kete wili lui jili ring the play khai ke thala sash man bum play ning shilare
iwi na serial number 6 iwi topic na yaron ngala msa kwela shiban ga highway sak e whatsapp ra kai topic ne ili hanglo je khawa yaron ngala msa kwela shiban ga ye sak yang lo ji ne ji dau ta sak jang ho ge yaron ngala msa kwela shiban ga ye na ji ja khla da meng ya za thai wang ava wa li di pen sa ga kle wang ava wa chot la ge kala jili khni sa da ava wa chot jili lang da 심판 가위티리 나올래요. 나오지리 마타담 영상 그러나 나오지 나오다 트위크럴리 아크르터 멍야자르네 아크리그스 먹파워 최강샤워리 다상르가 미린히 닝싱미짐네 제 탁라가이나 심판 가위 멍야자 대위 디세탄데샤가네 주그 석지지네 그러지 마음닝라 멍야자 대기도다 아바와 레 디펜 사망닝라 공나이 나올리라 disturb sa tala khale kala disturb ka samang ma chila thak na simba nau sim ka ba noi asa ka wat ka sa ka vai ka thak la jim them da thak la ga na simba na ga thak la ga na pang khai sinau ba na nglaw ba na khnik thum sta phanga thruk si da futui khai me ra ba na sini ji sha chi da ngla khui khai ekda yi shok za la ge hi kyu vai na khle ji ga munui na major masala I simban ka hi ki saran iwi responsibility ki responsibility mag theo wangaina ikta hi shokrage jena sim thaklagaina ban khai we disadvantage ka sakhi sida da sambonge jena ina ida dangai kji ja sha zarung la apang ra aktong ra leiser de re athumla ithumna mature sa khai ithumbing na mathara na ngui se strict sana khai impamne naus no bing ne ka encourage sate lagai na sa se strict sana ka mi hi sakshi ngai we aji ithumle na le ili chona jiwa saro na hi wa hui mer je ji na bong theo je kan ram sang ai me je na chokra da ka ni to chem je ji ka phai na na ni ka sam mer cho ning sinau re ji tu ham ba sara khai tu hi athum la si chin dai se ga athum le sem khu se ji hangai ning sra ga
copycat business without proper market research, thankful context. Lexiang sonoping, digital marketing and market entrepreneurship he first place li itum haigi ja atam rai. Ajui context li yung occur the world's richest person, Jeff Bezos, Amazon with Alibaba, Jack Ma, say. Tangkul context le kheng chitharan le mayang no ping na tukan sale gi wang na tangkul no ping le market sarwe de tukan ga tina ga shol ga achona ame athe hi khwi ge ot nui second hin khwi ge 500 mata mala mu khwai ga mu khwilo khwai ga khwilo tangkul context. That is why today we are not upgrading ourselves to a higher level of market. I myself wanted to be a market entrepreneurship today, to be honest and to be frank. Jana tangkul context le hanglo je atam chi thran chili mayang no ping wa ka thara sa khlo je khawa nga hyo yang kha lupa khamang le milo ina ot hi wa sami le ka ot hi ina kwisang le ka akhama wa lupa khni on ka ina market economic level i compete sak fa wang sarok je mayang winning really chang hai tam chran de tangkul no ping le ka o da tangkul le shigu ya tam chran de lat lu shi de tangkul no ping sa wa shum le ka avan na naw le athai mi shai chi chran le avan now na avale athik boch tharanjili mi shai mi khamangjili there is only 10 profits in selling 5 market things and then kashai jili horsak da talu ju wangena atuma ko tongka tangkol no ping cloud sara the khamyadam ji tharanjili to me market system hi proper market research ma khli wangena lupa ka tong jili lupa khni tanar da lede the tangkol no ping myang no ping ning jin nai jo aji myang no ping the tangkol no ping the market we apong le kyak kar itum le matai me the trader gi hi tangkol no ping itum thalak ken research sala ga sa se main salaken digital marketing hi itu improvise sa se tang khonoping digital marketing improvise ka tam tranchili we can survive ourselves kachikita pandemic ra salala with your own market system you can survive when you cannot find your own food suppose like rice masam ka pangatam tranchili when you store anything in your own market ni will stinginess ti makhletam tranchili nana share sa khai khletam tranchili new your market system here research in thalang salaga digital market thalagan satam tranchili you can become a digital market entrepreneurship you can become the richest person in the world thanks thank you.
Hello. Good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen. I'm representing from serial number 8. And my lucky topic is Katam now long week zibli literary event he important mami tura. Kachine. Adang ishui kyashik baya judges akan hangai ramdimla. Literary he every zibli tang cool katam now long. Like example, Arker no, DKS no, Kiki no. Literally important sa dum mithuro chere mushwai re exactly what he say yeah same as itum na thai bai jiwa sports like example volleyball football thai ba akam long pong dang rew te thaga ka thau literary debate extempore kala quiz na hili thang ya kha pungni thum ka la gop sang ngai mi gai ji ka tha hada ai phal sal la phai ma sal la phai gi mong da la manim la and what about the rest Kang reo now ning sang thada katam kshu lairi ka phongli ning sang mi kchung ka song sai pam tak lene thakaba literally participants liba mya ka gni mang na chance samang dak le dalam nim la sports physical like volleyball football ka thali ba mi hi yan samang dak le tha chance pa chi football na rek sang hi khwira re ka literally ba na rek sang hi khwira re chi bai or concern journal bingdi hang sangai Hilira Sangkai President Bing Kala Auto Executive Bing Liang Itum Iram Kala Naram Irusiam Kaisa Jiko Matelaina Literary Uponim Talaina Function Sangsak Fura Literary Matala inside Jikoba supports it with physical sports being automatically time to time Kikla Saki Jine Larik Vamatamara sports work when Ningzangro Kujiwa class 10 Tamquela Kujiwa state level, international level, di bang lewat apa? No, I'm sorry. Ke matalai na temkui laga, matalai na temkui laga, kita mengreu jah mengreu teh salah la. Kecicana guideline pakui laga, kecicana sakui laga, active salai na sakut laga ba. That is more important, ya. Physical, ari talent kia ke temkui gay ram likia stuck salah ke pemdale. Why? Why is that? Because the lack of education, behind, ya. China kshapain the respect. Ari rupai no atau azero no TAKL no ketongko next kumliva matama ida itu military matama ida promote sakai sasa iguchi in a request kasane kuknalim.
Good evening everyone. Yung topic na naga kanyu thought ping yu wi malung kachang shiman haira ili hangu jika main sada wa itum tada like education na rare hui marami itumna jungja khnui thot everyone itumli hangus ka khnui thot ka jungja ye college dropout ni kala high school dropout ni larik matam la khle chung le chuwangai na thai thang khamai majang thu da hi ka tha da sa ka phara chu hi malai thu da hui khnui thot ping wangai na itumi malung ku chung ga shiman khai ni itumi freedom we na jen ka khneli na itum hi ta da lem la kai nok thui le hangre ina itum hi ara rei sang ma manai da itum hi ot ka thala pai me da samphang ma manai itum na ning chang bingi tha da pai me da samphang manai jen itum hi lem na na da bam ngro kai da hi na ka ji pa na khumshungi ka ji pa li ba ka pha mai ra ji itum hi mam juk lak thure itum na tha da kujung ja na ki phap sang ro khai kujung jang e kala thang chang cha thui hai la kujung jang e chuwangai na kujung kharai kala itumi ka tum boy ni hangu ka social media le influence social media we influence na chung garai itum we queen dok he ara social media hi chung na yangai re itum hi influence chung na le re ya thada ithung hi na ki shok ka phar le jipa ji mam chukla athung wi ba hi copy sapam la jipa ji wai na phaning ba mai re jeni hui social media wi influence la chung le ithung wi khnui thot bing wi hi li malung chang hi shiman ga hi next la ga
Yarwi literary meet we mulung kachang je masita chawrang laga itu mai shanwai chonwai hi next li sau gi da thumla honjing jing ai dang rai tak le ji thaye ishi we literary meet hi ara hi we final round top 4 ka gi ji hi hina ko go pusau re jena uru basili pen salala hi ba hi kup sanglak sai gi hi request salu ngai ye atom sing sani jiwa jikbali ganglem ten ne ka atom sing sani jiba aru hi pung tram khai ta da le ya pung trugle habok sani je aru hi chet m khai cha cha fre ya ru na ki kam sa la pom sert le fre ka ta sala la kim tham dei isina ara atom sang dam khulim re isi wi top 4 bing ina minute khani mang muti re minute khani ri ba muti ga china first second chi shoke jik sa nei jena ya ru na Tangul tuyen hang says ka hashim harim da khangwali say gi hi hang nei ngai dale ye judges bing na point ji calculate sai ka itom top 4 ji sam phangaw re kala chimra chawrang laga participants katong khali so ngai na ye niong na ye nthum thalakan sa sare re gi ji kodam sa da akshida bang family shila ningsila kai re itom judges bing na top 4 ji ara fikam yore participants bing la thada hili ngai khula ka sei thum rum da ngai khula ka sei serial number 3, serial number 4, serial number 6, kala serial number 8. Ibigin na top 4 sa nara. At humang aksida apang pemiser say kala hilibam daklay sa ikoro bang aksida apang pemiser li say 3 4 6 8 nisina pamilo itum final round ngalang to kikaw say. Same rules, same timing, different topic. Next number, he kai khaliwa. Kala mai laga na topic kham tha ungda saka. Round off mangai na decide sa baim nei. Jena round kini sa tak leksa nei. Aritum serial number 1 na sụp khui khai gì itum nak shika minute akho wang marai milise.
Once again, hello. My lucky topic is parental responsibility. Mokhila tuition currently Marna depends Hatui Haida. Topic he Mushulake. The right topic, I choose the right topic. Hili Razan Kai question Sangai. Razan Kai Avuava Ping. Avuava Ping na Naurajili, Ichijao with Naurajili, Matam Chitela, Uchali, Pasang Lago, Paisahi ya Pasang Lago, tuition li. Jihan laga lari tam kangsak ina nongra kya shwera na kabara nau chili matam chi thengai khawa mi pa ba je ka thamo na shi nau li ma mi changai la mikte na mi changai ro la ka jina question bai my question ya jena le shia wa bi phap tang sangai ocha pingli mikte li henover ma sarang la kha na shi nau ji it's no we bangli later cleaning, yeah? Whether me kapashong saxilla, taxishong saxilla, avu awa we bangli later cleaning. Hangai akale. School he second nimla, but home is the main important nimla school jina next secondary nimla. Ka shimhina, avu avahina, ocha kamatayan kachitalam nimla. Itum lecturer, doctorate, kya lecturer, professional, trakali salala. Avuli malang ne, avu avalim malang ne. Avu avana like kya matam say salala. Ali, acha ere, hankachite, kala anatam kachiteji, doctorate engineer atum the professional being the tam kasteli, raijai kachine. Jena, Aruhon we contextly and cover, ishi, Nerambak, Irambak, Tankul we contextly and say cover. Avu avaping, Leshia avu avaping. Now rapping limits and white to go, Chihuahua go, Chihuahua laga ichijawi office walk. Kujawi ngalang manli shiva maida, now rally no tagai, Taganishi now raji kuliba olokita. Ya? Ichijawi ngalang kazali yang twelaga, now rally young mura, Kateli yang some in sakra, culture by Shiman Sakure. Imar you semgasajika, Naram iram semgasajika, now lisiam tajika, first milima misam plumre, na e. Avuava, the Rick Squillaga, Nanau, Inaujili, Matalaga ina, tuition, Atum the Comitada, Itum the Matalaina Milaga, Matalaina well trained Salaga, Matalaina, success Salakai, Kala, Akamo, Wang Pillar Akasem Gasegaji, Hankangani, Kuknalim.
Session number 2, iwe topic na. Ladik Matam Kakuhina, Itumwe, Lansin. Chốt sắc ta khai na, mùa hè iwe topic na hang đặc lạ thì suốt ra, ina rìmei thuê ta hang hai hang na ba, itum lại đi, mất tâm của quý này itum le, chỉ chọn sắc chẳng khát đại cái gì, nó thum là thấy sinh quý le re, itum rì đâu về context, itum mà rau về atam le va, lại đi tâm của quý mi chung mấy ta lại ao cái ta official sara chung mấy, lần xin đi mà tham mấy ichi tăng cô hi re sang mấy khá le sai. Kaji thought he lady gutam me sweet amel, Dam Kukui me sweet amel, Ayali or Sang I mean the Jumel, letting him Dam Kutu to Lansin Jotide, Jot Kaisran itum Yaroi he tumla, Jot Papamai he tum the Tague, Gala Hili in Aka, Chansang Irishite, itum lady Dam Kukui being the Gutang John Dele, Aji itumle IAS itumwe MLA Sadak living here to me the Dam Kuser Kaimine. Juwang atum ni itum ni nau tak lene. Ka ara itum mi tam ko kui mi malai thura. Itum we yaru rong le atum ni o chang rong vai mi malai thura jita itum hi chot yawe. Lai dik ma tam thu abong hi ka ta ta zat ma mai ka ta ta ka bira office ka ta ta zat ra ka chu bong le ma thai thu da itom he lan sin ri ong jot ra wai ma yong thai the ma yong thai office mi yong thai lai ri ma ka tam mu wangai ne ai ri ma tam mu je na office mi yong thai tu de thung ki kam sam bang pa bam ne ka la a thang ngai na hang kai da da lai ri ma ka tam mu wang ina ona na lai sa la e wa ki kam lai tu de na ri khri si khlei wangai na tam khui khai a je ra jot de ma ka tam ma ju wangai na no we budget ri sa sung sa ga wai na ri no we wat ng pon thui khai li thui khai ju wangai na je na I thung we lai ri ma tha da ma tam ka khui na I thung ya ri ri ma tha la gai na shui sing sak de lai ma tha la gai na rei sang sak de le bam ning na shui sing sak de lai je na sok ra da kai ni thot ping le I thung ka tom se them dak le bing je le I thum na ka tom se ka lam them dak le bing je la ka ta da them ka vai sa ra ka ja bong he I thum na I thum khar nau sa dak le awa wa bing ka la chon a mai sa dak le khar nau bin la ka cha shi nong ra a chon a mai a zar ra la ta re na ka tom ro ka I thum tang ko li sem ka lu shi se ni sla ka
Good evening once again. REU topic na grade never indicates intelligence kujine. Ring ka khuiping mang na lari ka themaning mana mashungla ke ring ka khuiping mang na lari ka themaning na acha certificate track le ka quality education basanga phangmi track le dele na no we now china class 9 ni lari ma them ka let him stay class 9 ni stay back saver no jingum 23 li graduate kup sangai lo ka ana quality education basang phangi chung liwa jingum 24 li graduate kup sang ka quality education officer IAS officer kisan phamai de shi changai na ninge achi itum da bet tam create net clear sire achi itum certificate lots of certificate le ka unemployment ki hi kiwangai na clay chi kwa itum quality education matam ku we ring mang li yeng la ka class ku mang le oh in over jingum phanga ne kha ava class 2 kai re chipa mang li outlooks mang li yeng de le chipa chi mai nga se itum na main sa da focus sa se chiwa quality education only the bookish learner hili education ko hom ne education jiwa educate accusations of knowledge skill individual behavior personal growth kichine hi education jang sir hai ni chu wangai na itum na great tama cover itum wi lai ki achi by heart salaka akhama malai haure okay ka itum na education ba quality ba chili yeng la ka itum education ki ba we meaning he understands hat le ka itum na now general ga chi thran awi education ji ana shichin na ga ana every sphere shichin re ana education ki ji ba you can have money, you can have fame, but it will be taken away from you. But education will always stay for you. Education really helps and it is a powerful driver gender bias discrimination against women haitafai education itum ring mangyanga say itum grade mangyanga say itum education we say class 10 mathala gaina tab gukhi pa hina exam we competitive undergraduate level we competitive exam kachunga pass hapai kiwangai knowledge ka class 1 to 10 basic learning basic knowledge hi thei ka ana kahakamya hang sapai itum na graduate tam grade ga magate kala bhamata khru kya class 10 quality education tam khui pa hina samang le chi hangai ngisla ga re
My topic is inability of school proprietors to give good teachers. The number one factor would be inability of the school proprietor to pay the teacher a good amount, feasible amount, which would attract good students, people eligible to teach the youngsters, to give them good education. Or, in the second point, it might be the place must be a little bit far off from the main town or somewhere where it is not so feasible to go there and enroll their students, children, or to make the children enroll in that school. It cannot just be because of the monetary amount that can be paid. Sometimes no feasibility of going to that particular place can also play a role. And then sometimes the third point would be, forget about the unemployment factor that is happening nowadays. Most of us don't want to be teachers, and that's a fact. We don't want to go into the education sector because we want to work somewhere in the metropolitan cities that pays us 30 plus 40K. No one wants to work in a place where you are just paid 10K, which makes you hard to adapt to your lifestyle and to spend your monetary budget in accordance to the thing that you are getting. Not only this, sometimes it can be because the proprietors are misusing the money in terms of spending it away lavishly on some other things rather than collecting educational books or good things that you can use it for the students. So it can't just be blamed on the students or the education that you're imparting, but the school proprietors, sometimes they can be blamed, or at other times, it is not just because of their fault, but it can be due to factors such as unavailability of good communication or transport. And then, last but not least, it has to be done with the mentality of ours. We don't run schools as business. We run it to educate children so that they can become good ones as future pillars of the society. Thank you.
Participants psycho leading share untum na ta mi baure. Achiwi kupsangkai aruchang extemper yari na nangai lagan lefugi extemper kupsang lagai re family values when hapok laga harshi gijin zang laga shimpan thak nagai zang legitimately ning sang da magukui jila zang great color quality jiwila zang color proprietor school na ocham tha khamtha mai gar hi kutong kan tumna ning sang lagai nam thalagai nang na kwere da shisangai tum psychology jingri nang na khami wang ning shere ishi uru trust wi shogai na ajing ya wi wang competition psychology hili ngasam sare akama painting competition lai re tum psychology ning slagai re na tumna uru trust li jungmai da thengai kha ishi wi website urutrust.com li check sami bai re Facebook li uru trust ta phami bai ra ning slagai ra
Yari na jodla khai re jena kishiga itumna ningal ga stretch sa hangai nang da sa khuilom ji hangai cultural session hi matarang kha ningal ga stretch sa hangai no freak sa no wa sali ring phang sak ta kle mo jot ki ji program him bung phang sak ki ji
itumna shanwai jonwai kachite hi savaki ji hi ngarai mamanda tangkul katam naw saklong we unit kachivali request sadale katam naw aga sada itumye compound third maintain ka sa hi remind sami lushitale itumna tharzari na thada rangurum ngai da khlai hata na tumna pam mi da khlai compound hi la third maintain sami khwai ji request salushitale kaja in tumna pam da khlai compound hi nga year da church we compound la sau ki da kala chimang muning la hata compound kachivali dustbin khalai hi dustbin la lai mi pam da lai ye malai sala la unit nutum khala na volunteer sami laga dustbin hi maintain ka sami lo chi hi request salushit le ning share Ari shanwai jonwai gachite hi unit turugwena leidale Kareli Gato Kareli ZTKL Gagatumali RKL Kamadeli Gachai Gapangali Sansa Gaturugali ZKL Shanwai jonwai gachite wi churches pingi hangmidle Kareli Kuirumla Barl A Shimre Gakhaneli Kuirumla Agnes Shaiza Gagatumali S Kuiru S.A. Ramganing Ladlushita Shanwai Jonwai Gajitewi Churches Ping Kareli Kuirumla Barrel A Shimre Social Activist Convener DSL Shanwai Jonwai Committee Gakhaneli Kuirumla Agnes Shaiza President Hunpun Shinaulong Gagatumali Kuiru S.A. Ramganing President Tangkul Naga Unnaulong
Hello. Ari Shanwai Chonwai Ngahan Atam Kwikaura. China itum judges pingway judging criteria he kutum sadak hayait le. First criteria pana 50 marks, number 2D 25, number 3D la 25. He ping he the number 1 he the hayait le. Ari sari kong nang kapay magapay ji younger China Shanwai Chonwai variety chungla kay na shangla kay na present kasa chang China ari itumuy sari hi shangla kay yang ngashan ne China ari itumuy textile hi it's not just a piece of cloth because it carries a lot of stories, philosophy, custom, culture yang hi traka hi tong ko hi Shanwai Chonwai li express sa sir kai ne China criteria number 1 li arena na present ka sa taran Nui story ji arma synopsis katha ji issue compare na pata mire China na present sa dakhle ji our significance our stories ji mashunda presence present sa ka masa yang chila yang re China ari organizer ping na hang dakhle pa na ba new creation hilamaya ye ta hang ni chang achui per saga ji hili China nana new creation hi nana original itumi tangku Shanwai Chonwai we na shem shok man gi jin yang China nana motif hi chin da khlai chang nana ka third grade sa da khlai ji chui essence ji retain sa kamasa ji meaning chui meaning ji nana ari new creation ji li ji beauty ji enhance sang saka masa itumai identity le enhance sang saka masang sak nana distort sal ka shamaura ki point ka tha ji number 1 ni yang ji 50 marks ne China number 2 li no presentation ji palatable saka masa chang ari in a hui point hi kikra aka thada itum tangkhul ku tong ko wibang thada hang sangai la ka we khuwang khri jika ari hon thada itum tangkhul na sa ta la ka wa ari hon we atam li thada atam apam kacha yang thada no presentation ji gross sala kai na kasa ngawa ga jilla chamsa da mir na uping da sa ta la ko hi pai tangkhul pa shi ari malau jing vaye la ka thada beer sara kai na yang atung song ba beer sa la ka present ka sa chang thada atam apam ma cha la yang thada khayang li thada palatable ma ka sa chang hi ka la thada ji yang re chang ari noi presentation ji universal samai the massacre na yang China noi mode of presentation ji appropriate saka massacre arui present time yang modern time hili chikta ji number 2 li yang ser ki ji ne China number 3 li itumi arma parrot ka sa tharan phai khan pang khan yang China ningai ka tha yang noi mood ka tha jing ra ari nana dress nana kikra nana sari shaksa da khle China nana parrot sa da khle yang noi phaikan phangkan ji machang rokra ki pa jiang ji yang ra China 25 marks ne ji kutum criteria kutum China itum na judge sa ka ji ne ning share
The 31st Tangkhul Gadamnau Saglong General Conference 2022 Shanwai Chonwai Kachithei, presented by Katho Gadamnau Long.
Awo aida umthom ita achuk akhan sari kongnang baida yurchat kateina kahaulak aina nishan khra imaram tangku wi shanwai chonwai nishan kina tangkul rai kabing yarsho wi sari changvei gzai kongsang malau pasi Raikan kebam Yashona Ram Tangli Ngakmida Kilagashiwena Garmia Lui tentak kada Kertot aina suida ari rashunda Tingpun lui wat li melinglak aina Satna kara ima ramnau bingna Ngawai sarina Shinau na kangawai Hangyai Moka Kongsang Shanaira Sopli sangga kalay Sean Napo Mirnau na kangawai Balau Kimta Pasi Napo Suzay Sean Kay Kangra Ajala ka Yarsho Bingwi Sari Pasi Kimta Suzay Balau Sari akana Arila Kunam Kre Shimpurna Naung Lawa Shakuzali Sari Hi Shatsamiya La Pagahai La Shio Bina Riru Nisi Sho Lab Kaung Ramshon Li Sangda Yaron Kumahon Sui Ot Sa Adam Li Ngalanau Bina Shipa Samia Kishan hui achuk hina symbol of royalty kujitaina hi ngalanau bingna shepazali la awaya
Ajalaka Imaramna Kare Gadiao Makaila Marai Jada Ngavai Paisir Gaji Kashan Nakana Kala Nangajida Ngavai Kashana Chui Kishan hi Chui Wi Aina Hakshot Kala Shijin Kara Kashana Kana Vashim Hong Kishan Kazi Kala Kahong Machui Hina Vashim Hong Rai Vashnau Bingwi Sakmai Kala Ningsa Gazipwi Amashutna Lashio Rose Sakshi Kala Shat Nasamagda Shnawa Kawi Mirin Yashman Hai Chui Wang Ali Peningo Shan ban zaga chui wang aina kshan hili ria kshan da phokmi kshan
Phila kshan Tangkuli moholak aina shnauna shibshin designers wear akana Singdai mansingla kshan Chalaka singdai kuwi ngala mansingla go bawa hina kshan gichon kragli Korea kasada ana phak shop kshanakana Kangang kshan Kurar kshan na hi phila ajon kurawi kshan akalaga kjihi kstaina Aung shi kshan Kumbum aung shi buri saglong na kumawai kshan akana
Origin is serial number 1, Kator Katam Naulong. Serial number 2, Zingtun Katam Naulong.
Zingtun Lui Ramli Later Clay, Kuping Wing, Jan Sari, Matang Yang Rumsa. Chitagida Clay, Jan Sari Binghi, Achalaka, Awa Ayithod Aina, Jan Lagaina Shijin Kasa, Achira Shunda, Kanuitod Itumna, Shijin Jing the Lay. Kala Achithod, Pag Shok, Sam Shok, Sarila Yang Rumsa. Mayong pasi, mayer now ping na panit panau, mohon ngapauli shikachina sari akana. Pay makay hi kaha aina ragapina, tingpun luibat sa kareng kala mohon ngapau katali shikachin sari akana. Kazay apek kahakina, kapinga yarko kala unnauna kachichitay. Changwei hina rai atamli yanggashi mingli nga kawai rai sari akana rai phang li khanga zana bingna mangali mazat ngayaw mana malum kaping kapanga bingna mangali zada Jaina changwai hiya kapinga yarsho yarkhok bingwi sari akhana how Malau hina khayali fukror fukkamang maningla katyau kha kushanli naigasang china mayarawi fusak kala asho alep khamatha chithai Sari hi talui phaichak sarina Akwili sangda khalai healthcare hi kangrai ngalamui hoi ngashir khala kisi hi ngalamui hina chithaya phasa angunli khangawai hina ngawaina kala naichengna phai thaili sangda khalai hi phaishinri hoya Phaichak kasali ngawaya Sharwi awunggu Lily SA na sakasho kashana kashan hiwi kakhaladwa Tishar kuhi mapitel range wi shankatanga amare chia atonli kapana kuna hoya Tushan Chang Hongwi MW Vastina Pakishaka Kushana khana kala china kachithaiva songtang ngalano kala parainao 42 sakhali ruhika kachi symbolize sana shla kai ram.
Ariwichina serial number 2, Zingtun Katam Now Long. Ara serial number 3, Rupai Katam Now Long.
Ari shokrada kle la show bing hina argue we na represent zana. Itum sai corona young room sa. Ari shokrada kle la show we sari in a new creation sari na. Ari saksada glai sari hi azezu sari na awi chingju wi en na kalam tailak en ngla saksak adam ni bola en saksa sari akan saya Ari saksada glai sari itum tangko yurchat nang chanlak hai awi raivat aina pila sari na Ari la show na ngai da collection jide correction ho ye kulawi na cha da collection na kong sang na La show is arena, tango maina season sarina itum tango with traditional le mohola kena chanla kena itum tango yuchat kutong na ngavai da kay sari atong saya. Why the glay sari in a raivat in a lily sari na
nasamna si
là sure nó ngay vai đó lấy sari nó chính juwi sari nó là awi aming nó chính jupi sari hoy philip nó li sweet ambassador sang sari nó vai sayo là sure nó vai đó lấy sari ngô pila sari nó Sari ayung a day day the clay in a itum tangku you chat it from a circle to the matang circle itum ting a chana no of three cycle you chat to the cycle run the itum tangku is sari manga jen itum ting a chana and of three ji itum is sari sign a chithaya Nishlai dan thum sai gol.
Origin serial number 3, Rupai Katam No Long. Serial number 4, Kuchai Katam No Long. Host team.
Chokra da clay lashio kanina sang da clay gshan hi seijang gshan hoya seijang gshan hi tangkhul wi gshan ajai hi kharar kala aman sakmai thui gje gshan akhana pilavana khangawaya gshan na gshan hi ngawai laga gzat thaya kha ajon kharar na da thaisaya Gshan hi malakutum aina raga ajon kharar thot liva alungtung li gzanga gjar jili for gsanga phangyai for gzik gzangwak china mangali zangda khangaja aina ngabaya kala phangyai for kahunga gzangwak china mangali zanga kha rai yui ga khuiwe maya lak aina hongwe amajutna Huishon nareng komsim cha kala kwiwi sari bing hina kashang kare shingruwi kishan gajon ngasasaya Kishan Pangyai Kishan hi Ajala ka Kauri Ring Anai Li Kalay Shnao Bingna Ngavai Gasa Kishanna Kala Ogatui Raiwe Ka Kanyewe Tili Tangku Shinawe Kishan Sada Ngavai Pobua Pangyai Kishan hi Malak Katum Aina Karaga Kishanna Kishan hi wi Pore hi Kamate Kala Gajar Aina Gazay Gapar Tada Rashim Kala Pora Forsanga Jiwi Tili Awan Tada Jambu Por Aina Kahung Kala Kamatek Aina Pora Kala Porting hi Gazik Aina Kahung Sanga Kishan Hili Apor Ping Hina Hira Mukta Gajai Tada Matasek Hai Hina Gajiteva Yaron Ngala Kamalinga Adam Gajitena Kashan. Rose Kashan hi 1974 Kumli, Indian military personnel of 95, Border Security Force, na military operation, Krihang Kala Pumram Kuli Gazatharan, a John Rose li Shinawe, Kyalan ni Hawa, Chiwi Mai Gishi, Ninga Jot Mapungrer to the Akalada Mirin Kuigahaina. Ochot Jiwang Aina Huirum la NS Rosely Legacy Kala Pniung Jing Jiwe Amujud Akhasada Lengshop Communication Akhana Raivat Kajon Haura Gajon Haura Gaji Kapung Nau Bingwe Gajon Gajina Kala Gajon hi Matai Mai Tuida Mayor Nau Gajon na Haura Malak Panga Hina Mayor Nau Gadong na Ngavaya Kala Malak Shini Hina Shimkurwe Shangwe Karara Na Kangavaya Gajon na Gajon hi itum na Thai Maju Horlak Kahaya Gajon na Kahung Gajar Kala Gazik Kanung Laga Matasek Aina Apor Rakasanga Gajon na Kahung Hina Gajitheva Ajalaka Raisa Laga Ashi Dahangarok Kala Sayuli Kapawe Ashi Gada Hiwe Sagajitena Pasi hi itumwe punit punauli mayor na bingna akwili kasanga sari akhana Malaw awo yi totally Malaw hi mayor na we sarina Sholakom Gajon hi ajalaka awai totally rakshok kahai Gajon akhana Kala hili shunawe maha Gajon hoya Gajon hi mathasek aina awan thada apor porsang laga rak kahai Gajon na Gajon hi shunaw bingna maha odre kapung adamli mathasek aina shaksada khangavaya Gajon na Huibang thala gaja Hikatha Adam hili Yaron ngala gadong ana Atumwi yang pangshap Kala pasa kamatha kajithe Adam ngasaya Jiwibang aina Shunaw bingna For jamri kahai gajon ni ngavay laga Yaron naw bingni sheba samiya Kala hiwi Adam hili Shunaw bingwi pangtem John Sub Jang kayang Adam ngasaya Kala John Sub mathamay tui gajibavali John Sub Kamathavu mingpo himiya Jongkom gaji gajon hi Kahung kala gazik kan karanga gajon akhana Gajon hi mayor nao pai shobing na ngavay saya Kala shimapan rang gaji ngala nao bing na kangavay gajon na Jongkom hi ajalaka Pore mazang samana Vareshi rasa kahai wichili Zimik na kap kashop zingran jiwe Amayuk sada rapor sangkuya Shuki kathang hi iram gajay tuina Shuki ting hiwi aina sa kashop hina Ngala nawi sari akasada shijinvaya Raivat Gajon hiya ajalaka aina laihai rasai Ka ishi khawriwi rai kabinga mayor naw na ngawai gasa Aman sakmaigap gaji Gajon akhang saya Jiwibang aina Gajon hili yeksang gahai khudlai bing jia Gazay jangway ngaha mikwi khai Hikata hi yeksang mihai dalay Thangang Gajon Ngavaida Kalay Gajon hi Thangang Gajon hoya Hi gaji gatana ngavai sa kala jia ka Shangwe Maninga ka Mai pungwe karara jina ngavai sa Gajon na bir ka John Shokra da clay hina pay bir ka John hoya ka John hi ajala cover tareng aina shirai kui laga rak ka shok ka John akhana rak kui ka hai ka John hi shinaula mayer naula ngavai ka pai ka John akhang saya kala ka ti ka sar paratharan pay bir ka John hi aina rom kui da Home Chifu Savaya Hili Jitaida Kalay Ot Bing Hi Awo Yi Bing Na Shijin Gasa Thong Thang Bing Na Lichi Gajon Shinao Pa Hina Ngavaida Kalay Gajon Hina Lichi Gajon Hoya Ajala Ka Gajai Shinao We Gajon Na
Schneider, original serial number 4, Gachai Gatam Now Long. Our serial number 5, Sagolmang Area Naga Students Association, Sansa.
Mapaning gasa tangkul zingdun ajitek kauri leret nungli oktui saya ngala kamathavu shak sakataivu kala pangthem kathemvu mansingla hoda zingtai ramli kipana kha makharomrer awi pangthem shak sakatai amelvu sathuda amelvu mansinglawi pangthem peijon Yunquida imayur tangkul shanwai jonwai ngananta bhaira
Ari ngaya amelvu ayi mansinglawi paichon Yunquida varena sokhami ningor shichinda kauri ayi avu achon ngara bingna kapkashok shanwai miken zangaramsa
Remake up the jithei the lay Singtai mansingla kapshok kahai kashantara kawi ngajaili imaram yurna kangajana kakahawa kala Singtai mansinglawi amin kuida pokahaya yingdi kashanna yingdi kachituihi mapautuina tangkul tui enava Singtai kashan hoya Kauri ngaleili pariga harni nau makhalai wivang kameuli papoya aniwi kapo ai leimala kameu vujina ngahan kamida nau ngalawu zingtai mansingla kohovu miya mansingla rar sangmamanda rakharak ningsanglak rarkaya avu aina aba wiva kahai atamni ai leimala kameu vujina mansingla wi shim yauraching da apor kala rakharakwi maram tarakha tamjithaya kachiwi khararjan leisaya ai leimala kamevuna tamgijithe rashak aina tamkuida sakashok kashan akhana da hanga atam chitharan kashan hi singum hangphanga makarang kachibiba mangawai pai samana kala kashan hi Hukshaw aina tangda paythei jithei laka ngawai kasa kashanna ka ara arihon wi thotna khangaje ati shurda hakmeida rakshokta kala shinaw katong na ngawai pai
shokra da klehi sakrum kashan tanri na saga shok kashan na kashan hi gazik aina yellow manat laga akhan phanga zanga kala aphorwe akhan tharup laya kashan hi we ayarli gazik sangda khalaina thari kacha boundary li pamhauda ga khanang ga chot ga chukha samphanga kala ga hung hina shinau bingwi maipan hor chamri hai ga china kashan hiwi amareli apor sasang ga hai hiwi ga khalat kala kashan hiwi ayarli apor khani ngaleng da saga sang hiwi ga khalat chia tanri shinau pingla tangkhul shinau ngachaili shak saga thaili zanga kala tharili pamhauda shinau kala mayar na ngarai cha da ngarar ngarama kachina gazik kala yellow manata kasang chui ka khalat na ka khanang sam ga phang tharan sai ha ga sa manga aina khayui sam phanga khachina kashan hiwi alungli phor ka hak ka teu manata sangda khalai hina tanrui ram hi ka shang ka them kharai ka teu ka tong ngarumda ram som a khali panruma khachina laga shogra da khle gashan hina humi shinau long gashan gashan hi khawai mi gathumli in charge mi kalang san ngarum laga maya khangro khuilungli khuirum la z thaisala na rakashok na hangmadi da gathum ka gashunga general assembly li tangkhu shinau long na approve sami ga hai gashan na kashan hi saga shokwi ningrin jia humi shinau itum kala long nau khokha ga saga chithena ari kala khanau aina tangda khokha yangkha sada oktirum chingra gachi majut kala khangasit sada kashan hi rakashokna
kashan wi amingna yauzala kashan hoya kashan hi e changka shunau long na phashok ta 2014 ni tangku shunau long wi kumbai gzip li tangku shunau long na recognize samia kashan hi apung lewi yauzala li paning khung sa da kap kashok na kharjan wi ati shuda yauzala li achalaka mitei maharajana ashawawi aina khaying aina ngatu khuida mitei tampakli aung go sada papana jiwi amajut sada kashan hiwi akhan gjibuli khaying porji kasangna kashan hiwi machuhi kahungna khamataya machu saya hiwi amajut na awi malung kaping kajiteina kashan hili khanda khalai amik akhab hina shinawi mirinli kashok kazang kajiteina Sailom rukhongli apel haulu John chapter 9 verse 7 aina kwikashok kashanna tangkul ngalay verena somida tingna raha on shivar mas verewi sokhami lemet hi ning mayang mai khawai lang mai da nauthot lila matha mai da phari mi khawai wang apung shinau long na machuk laka uruwa khiwi aming aina sailom kashan hoda kapshok tale kashan hiwi achuk akhan wi ka khala yomi kha chitheli kazika machu mathai thangmaila tangmang ting aina okhui kasa adam John khap mirin regasangwi phaikar kahunga hina okathwili mikumowi mirin shongza alungwi kazika machu alungni kahunga akhan kho ungjina sailom uruna kala kazika chili apor khani ngawarda kap kasang hina ka khanang ga gaza pingna uru jiwi taru aina gazat krai samphanga kachina
Mapau Zingsho Centenary Gashan Mapau Zingsho Ramna Ping Ngalungli Pupayada Legasa Atamwi Aina Varesi Sada Tiga High March 11 2022 Thang Zingum Shaka Kashung Haira Ping Ngalungli Puda Korumda Legasa Awo Tisan Zingsho Ramwi Varesi Hopop Meli Mama Laila Paning Ungjing Kawai Rak Kashok Kashanna Ngatingon Gashan Le Ngatingon H. Lui he class 2 Tamgasa now Shinau Akana 1994 Zinkumli Mapaning Lakla Kachai Outpost Assam Rifles na August 27 Ngator Pung Shini Kata Atamli Classroom Alumli Nongmay Rakap Sangda Awi Pasa Mangla Chikat Kahai Paning Kaung Kashanna Kahung Machuhina Ashita Gahai Kala Malung Kapingwi Pudamna Gazika Hina Katiwi Kudamna Gazik Alungli Randa Kale Hina Nong May Teiru Gasana Kamateka Naushinau Kika Magatay We Amajut Sada Kamatek Aina Gasangna Yellow Awon Nganuizon Aina Katatmi Ga Highway Amajut Sada Porgasangna Sirajina Ochot Chili Naushinau Kachunka Sadza Hawa Kachi Mama Lailakla Panik Ungjing Kawai Gasang Sirana Ari Shokra da Clay Hina, who may vote Ngayer Shinau Long Jubilee Kashan. Kashan Hiwi Aming Liningi Hoya. Liningi Jubilee Kashan Hi Ke Sumitrana Pagashok Kashanna. Kashan hiwi akan gazik aina kahung aina saya gazik awo ayiwi thot kala kahung hina achiwi thot represent kasana
Kauri Leiret we kare awo ayi thot ni Ai ngara pingna ngabailak kasa shijinlak kasa kashan phanga leisaya Thangkang kashan rigron kashan singtai kashan kongra kashan kala phangye kashan Hongman shinau long na machuk laka kare thotni ai ngara pingna kashan pinghi ngawaisar saya kajuwi karajanji Mama lailak la paning ungjing kawai hangda khalei kashan phanga hiwi aina Apor Teo Maker Manakuida, Aring Vaida Kale Kashan Hi Pagashokna, Kashan Hiwi Amingna, Hongman Jubilee Kashan. Kashan Hi Zingum Hinkani Pa Tarada Aka 2011 ni Hongman Chunau Long Katongana Machukrumda Sagashok Kashanna. Ari ngavaida kale kashan hiwi amina langsopi kashan hoya kashan hi sinagai the khu eina อารีงไว้เดคเลยกฉันหิวีอามิงนะลังโซปีกฉันหอยกฉันฮีสินาไกเทคือไอนะสากชอกรักชอกกฉันนะกฉันพากชอกกวีอามิงนะพามิลาอังคังงไว้เดคเลยกฉันฮิลีกจิกมัจูฮินาคีกจิเทคลจิกอิมรัมตังคุลยูรีอิทุมีเซมคามียาเบเรนะเดชลักไอนะเซมียาข้าอิทุมีคุโมปิงนะลังโซฮาวดาลังโซไฮเดตังขมังทาดาซิกฮาวกจีปงกชกนะจิตายีละกฉันฮิลีขเลยมัจูอพอร์ตากัมมัจูอายุกจุงข้ามีดาเบเรลีพาคุยกเทยปิงนะกจิจาวีตากเทยไอนะอพอร์วีกฮอร์ทาดาฮอร์นตักจูวีตุงนีเบเรนะชินาวอาวุธลีคุยฮอนอาวุธมิเซระกจูวีคุตัมนะกฉันฮี2016ลีสากชอกกฉันนะ
อารีโชกราเดคเลยกฉันฮีริกรอนกฉันหอยริกรอนกโฮกฉันฮีระลักกหายกชนอาคณาอาชาลกขาวรีวีปรินาวสันชินาวสันมาเตลริกรอนกฉันฮีงจันลักไอเนงไว้กษากสันอาคณาอารีโชกราเดคเลยกฉันฮินะสินากฉันกฉันฮิวีอามิงสินากฉันหอยกุมทิงคันนีอปาทราดพงาลีสินาไกเทชินาวลงซิลเวอร์จูบลีกฉันคอมมิตี้นะสินาไกเทสินากฉันเดสากชอกนะสินาไกเทรัมฮีอาวาวูวริวราอนาวมายระจิชูคริสต์กลมังลากเทรนะพาคุยมีดะงนาวขมีกลงักขังมีงเลยนะเดกฉันฮีมลากทุมไอนะไซกฉันฮิวีมาจูกะฮุงไอนะกะดิกไอนะไซนัทมุยมังอาลีงไว้ชิเทเดคเลยฮีอาเฮงคูวีไอนะกับกชอกกฉันนะอามิงนะอาเฮงงรุมกฉันหอยกะละกฉันฮีอาเฮงวีนิยาวลาคำรังนะพากชอกกฉันนะกฉันฮีวีนิงรินกะละอาบอร์วีกะขลัดนะอาตามมาคลีอาเฮงชินาวลงพกมาซาไปละงะพุยังอกวีกะสาจีการให้เดงรุมคุยดามาจัดวีกับไปขมชิดขมงอคุยคาราวีริงกับพาคุตามซาดากฉันฮีคุยกชอกนะกฉันฮี2016ดีพาชอกอารีโชกราเดคเลกชนฮีไรวัดกระชนหอยไรวัดกระชนเฮียอาจารย์เลกเขาริงเลยลีไรลีกับปิงกับปังไม่ยนาวปิงนะงไว้กษากระชนกษาเฮาเดอาจูเขาริงเลยลีกระชนกระทงวิงใจลีไรวัดกระชนหินะอามันสักไม่ทุยจิงใจมันสิงลาไอนะถอยบีสัมพังขังโรคีพนิงอุ้งจิงขวายซาดากระจนงซื้อขังรกจิลีมันสิงลานะถอยบีลีไรวัดกระจนฮีขมินะถอยบีนะไรวัดกระจนจิลีมาฟูขังใจใจซาสังลุยชิตาอาวิกระเทมขมาทามาไตสังสักกะอาจูตังคืงเลยลี ตังคือชินเอาปิงนะงไว้เดอคะเลยไรบัดกะจอนจีถอยบีนะมาฟืงะเตยเดยเดอซาสังกะไฮกะจอนจีนะเดอเทงรอกะอารีโชคราเดคเลกะชันหินะพุงฮีกะเชนอาจารย์ละกะเขารีชินเอาปิงนะสักลักไอนะงไว้กะซาฮีกะเชนฮีมาตายอาคันะคาเรทอดลีกับเมลลีคอรุมเดอออกทิสาฮาวเดอที่สามพันินนิตเรอาคาซาเดหักลักไอนะมายอนไซซิงกุมอาคลีกะจังอาคาที่สามพันิดมายอนะที่สามพันิดฮิลีชินเอาปิงนะลาขังนุยลีทั้งฮีกะชันฮีขนงดังอไว้เซอร์ละกะที่สามลางนุยพุงฮีกะชันฮีเขารีชินเอาปิงนะอามันสักลักไอนะกะชันกะโตงะลีรไม่กับกะจีกะละจีไม่กับกะจีกะชันอาขังไซอารีโชคราเดคเลกะชันหินะชิรีลิลีกะชันกะชันฮี2008ลีคุยรำลามิงยาวลาคำรังนะกับกะชอกนะกะชันฮีมาจูชินีนะลิลีอาวอนชิวีมาจูไอนะกะคุยนะอโพจีวีกะขลัดนะคะเนมกะพงนะคุยคำอะไรจีไม่กับกะจีกะพงชิลีชิรีพิลาวูลิลีอาวอนมายาโซร์ออกทียตังคูชินเอาลงทอชันลีคาเรซาดาอวอร์ดซัมกะพังกะชันนะ Directorate of Commerce and Industries, Government of Manipur we Award of Outstanding Craftsperson for the year 2009 and 10 held on 3rd August 2010 Lee State Award Sambanga Hai Kashanna Ari Shogra de Clay Gashan Hina Ngachan Gashan Hoya Ngachan Gashan Hi Sinagai Tewi Kuirumla Pami Angangna Kap Gashok Gashanna Kamay nga kazingramui machu aina kasava nga kaikang gahay kazingramui machu kakwina Sina machu wi kudam nava Sina gaitay ku hili tek mataylak aina Mikumo tingna raha matasek aina sami haida Hauri haurang na kangajan ram Sina kataram Katana da apoji sina aina Machu aina kasana Ana thangda khalay cha aina akhanawon hila rakshok haida khalay gashan hili ningrin ka khalat ngarai ga cha aina risok ka haina
Mirin wi ka jot ka chang mai ga shi ka tonga ngawata thang katang mathawaya ringa pha ga zingram sampang ra ga chui Malung ka chang leida vareshi itumui shit ka sang pong ka shok kala ka jithei sari akhana ka ji ningrin aina phashok ka haya ka shan na tumui mangali ngawai dalai lungchan ka shan Sina machu golden yellow hina ka zingramui te khamatei pong ka shok ka machuna Hung khamayinga machu purple color hina Ringda leila khala thiga hai thigila itumui thermarine vareshi kaho kachi hina itumni khangam kharaya kala khaya ka makeup kachi miyur sang saka kachi jithei dalai kazika machu black color hina katang makhangawa ringapha te khamatei ยากะกากะละไม่ขยาสัมพังขบายขริงมิรินวีชงซาฮิลีกะทีกะละตั้งขมังนะยุนจัดจิงดะในกะละอกกะทวีฮีมอเรปัมนะกะจีพงกะชอกนะกะละขมเตกะมะจูกรีนคัลเลอร์ฮีนะลามาสิงนัมเบอร์อาคาทวีซาอาคาไอนันทวีละกะกะทุมลีคุยดาMaga pawi kama jinli, maga zata more gasawi ngalemli, makanganinga, manashi kazara mili, manga yurkapama miji sokamina. Ka awi ningyang kuung prohowi ayin dite, kala awi ayin jili, ngashun ngaya ana jugmachiya. Jikatha miji kongra tarupamli, lingsang gahai tingrong ang asut kuung taran. Athai kamathaya kala ana makhangawi kathana ana kasasa saikoru matai sanga kashan hi 2014 ni phashok ka kashan bishop me tamri John Mahung Sinagai Thai village kashan hi tangkhul chinau longwi kumpai gzip li handicraft competition li second position sampang gahai kashan na Kauri liret we achon ayi kala abu ngaraping na kapshok kahai shanwai chonwai yari na chingri aina biken tang khami wi bang ning shila khaira
Region is serial number 5 Sagolmang Area Naga Students Association Kanawali serial number 6 Zingsho Katam Naulong
Arriva Zingsho Katam Now Long Wayna represents Sadalation Vai Chunai Yarina Yangram say. Chogra the clay, La Shio Hinangavai the clay, Kashan he, Grihang village Waynane, Amina, Shini Neke Hoe, Gala Anangavai the clay, Kashan. Kahung kakanwi kakalatina awo aina somi kahaiji leching ranu kachina kaknya sada kajarwi kakalat kajarwi kahortada mirindi horanu kachina kashan hi grihang village waynana shini neke hoya mirin paida real singer Mission Pilar, Kiga Pumli Wanda, Ajana Tekarena, Chopra the clay, La Shio, by the clay Kashan, Rose Kashan Hoye, Gala Rose Kashani, Atiopi Chitu, Kumram Waynane, 2001 ni Pak Shokashana, Rose Kashani, Kumram Wayna Quick Shokna, Kashan Hiwika Kalatna. Amare kamane hina ningsa kangazip kajutaina Jangba por kamyo por hina malung khanim leishat lungchang kapani moong kashung ko hangach theina kazik mati atung wi kazik mati khan gasang hi a John Rosie 1974 we March date 4li suicide kasana the hangach theina Rashim kachung ka kazang hina a John Rosie magun quality kachitaina hang lishitale kashan hili rose kashan hoye kumram ne 2001 li hakashok kashan na lang mai iwi lay kashi iuglung wi hirawon Ocean pilava Shobra de clay la shion the by the clay kashan hili pasaila kashan hoya shorde shungri pasaila kashan hi shungri wi aunga kre sana atari wi naunglavi kamatava pasaila kapo burma ramwi samshok aunga wili shimpan tui kahaiwi kerjan chili paisin salaga kui kashok kashanna machu pingwi kakla kashan wi ayarli kazang kazaira kazihina pasaila wi mirini chotak aina legasa chili yangda kakuina kahung hina pasaila hi malumping lak kahai shinauna hangchtaina apor pingwi kakla Rashim kashan hili sanghai da kalai Rashim kachang double aina kazatina pasaila wi ningsa kumuji hangchtaina yellow na apor sanghai da kalai china pasaila wi kayuya mirin wi ka kalat hangchtaina apor kachara china pasaila wi rikapa kamatan wi ka kalatna kamatek apor hina pasaila na samshok awung bu sada chingri aina kalai wika kalatna kamatek aina sasang kahai aku hili shungri tui aina sangkata hoya aku hi rimarala kahai akuna kala awi angachang chi shanera amareli khalab laga khaija kasali shichvaya chithada pasaila hila shungri ngala sada rimarala aina foreign ngaleili shimpan kahai wi phaning khumna yellow machuna sasang kahai apor hina machu theina athe hi phaija kasa tamdi phaidi sanglaga akon shokha sak chitada pasaila wi mirin ituntada sakla kahai mirin da kuida kasangna hangi shitale ikashan hili pasaila kashan hoye shungri shorde we ne Irawan Ocean pilava Shobra de clay kashan hi chungka we ne kubrak la kashan we Tapita keshi ko shinau ali mangshong li kashan hui azak rajtamia kala tui kamatu taran matingri kashan azak jipning unga kala zimikro tui mamandala kashan azak malai kahai malai mada anaram shinau long pingli kala Kernau sandi paingrunda Saikorowi maya kami lungli Mangli chitay kami kashan Orzak da rak kashok kala Pashok kahai kashan wi amingwi Maramli ram shinau long Zang kala ram Kernau ping zangda Kashan amingwi maramli machut mulunda Kup rang la da Pashok da maya kangrok ka Kashan ne Chungkawi ne Want other Mario sing quiga pai Reo qui sing pai siga che La shion ang gabay shok da klay kashan hili Ruku kashan hoya Lau shing way na nam Kashan hi lau shing awo ayina Kamayon kashan panit panaw di sing kasa Ruku hi paisin sa lagarag kapwi kashan na khơi won ning shen da ka shan hi ra ka queen ka shan hi ra ra da ma chuk ta le laga ali mang ni raj themia mang chiwi a chi shur da khrap na kala ka shan hi 2012 week khaying April ka chang li ra ka queen hang lu shi ta le ka shan hi li ruku ka shan hoya kala hi lo shing khu we na na
ngai shon won na li magbi ma pam pai na wi wang
la sho hi na bai shok tak le ka shan hi avu ka shan hoya kala avu shan hi Horam Valley Road Sumyo Shorty Wena and the Papa Shokna Avukshan hi 2004 Atamli Papa Shokna Kashan hi wikakulat Kuhunga hi na tangku na ningjang may tui kachi machuji chitaya Main kazai rikniwi maragli komala machu line katiyaw na kazachi tangku wi kangachana Kazika machuchi na Tang kamanga ogatri katana Kamatek aina komala machu line hina Kachiteva itumwi society hi Avung rana mayon kami katom kami mga aina Apong kachibali raisang maman Mga ba maman dali kachitena Apor pingwi kakalat Kashan hui amredi remikapta sasang kahai apor di Kapay por hoya Gagatsuma apor china Tangkung yutai makeup kachi poray kachi china Apor hi tangkung mang na shi china Kamati apor chili Hami maka Kala kapanga apor hi na sira por hoya Kala katuka apor chili kamyo na chang da hoya Apor hina lay mafu ko ho kamyo china zing diamond sinali Apor saka chitay taran kamyo wi ang jangwi ara aina saka kuina
Ong shin pilava Kika pung ni wong
Shokra de la show hina ngabay de kashan hi siang kashan hoye kashan hi Chatrik village way ne Kashan hili kazik hina achalaga tamang tingay na legsa mitod wi mirin kachina kahung hina siyang ay na laklam wi krajan li rod kamrat rai kasa wi kachitena kachar hina laklam ni siyang la masyunay na yu kukwi wi kahor kachitena Rashin Tod hili bang sinda koka kasa kala kangazip kachitena Kong Sangte Rashim Bingwi Angatak Li Kong Sangte Kasang China Shinawi Sarina da Chitaya Por Kajarli Alungli Kazik Aina Amik Sang Laga Kamasa Aina Shinaw Bingwi Kamakun Agashan Li Shanayra Neda Otkasa Wi Amachut Kasana Kala Machu Kachunka Aina Awan Kayak China Kanyutod Bingwi Kamata Ate Kamate Hangachitena Ang Rishidale Kashan Li Siang Kashan Hoye Chatri Village Way Nane
Iuglung wi hirawan 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 Ong shin pilava
Chokra de kale la shot na gabay de kale kashan Yang Ri Kashan Hoye Yang Ri Kashan Ni Pumba Kuno Way Nane Kashan awi design ni Tari Wild Gold wi aina yang kui laga kasana Kala awi pattern hi Leng kui wi aina yang kui laga kasana Kashan hi yang Ri Kashan Hoye Kala hi Pumba Kuno Way na Kashok Kashan ne
Darali Aisho Ngashan sari vaida horjamri Wanta da mareo sing kui gapai Reo kui sing pai si gacha Mirin pai da reo sing
Ari ngavai da klay Kashan hi Kambi Kashan na Kashan hi di Kyangvu Kashan Hoya Kashan hi Yarmina Mangkungna Pagashokna Kashan hi Kyangbu wi Shinao Hupuna Ngabai Kamrok Kashan Akana Kala Kashan hi Kajar Wilungli Apor Sangda Machu Panga Aina Rakakwina Machu Panga hi Katsikina Ki Chithekla Chilaka Wardam Rin Vreshi Rin Kala Regasang Masam Pangla Chochang Lakaina Ogatwi Mirin Kachina Kala Yellow Hina How Sagasa Adam Kala Shinao Akasada Chot Lakaina Shimpuri Mirin Kajot Kajang Kangda Ogatwi Mirin Kachitena Kala Kajar Hina Kyangbu wi pilabu Shanao bing wi Ningatar Kamashung Kala Bashun Aina Ogatwi Kachitena Kahung Hina Kyangbu Ram Kapungton Li Shokpamda Zingko Taida Vare Sokami Sampangda Ogatwi Mirin Kachitena Kala Kamatek Hina Vare Sokami Sampangda Hagasang Regasang Kala Chingri Gahai China Furor da Ogutwi Mirin Chiteya Kyangvu Gashan Hiwi Mataila Gahaya Apor Hiwi Gakaladna Kyangvu Ku Hiwi Ramban Koka Sada Yanka Sada Ogutwi Mirin Kala Chingri Aina Kuban Ramban Som Gasa Chiteya
Ocean Pilava Kika Pungli Wanda Ajna Tegarena Ira Wonli Ira Won Ira Won Ira Won Ira Won Ira Won Ira Won
Jing sho lui ram ni lei da lei shan vai chon vai hi yari sai ko rana yang khang rum chi wi wang ning shila kai ra
hello participate sami kaya unit gachi vuli ning shila kai re itung yu hui de ko hui na kai ne mi la malai thre khatha ijlala masa ka bai le awgada akamawi first match fixtures being hit stay middle football men's football first match he Vaikang Gadam Naulong versus host team Jai Gadam Naulong 6 a.m. sharp volleyball men's volleyball in a host team versus Sansa 6 a.m. sharp women's volleyball in a Vaikang Gadam Naulong versus Tangkul Azay Gadam Naulong 6 a.m. sharp Hina akamang ator first match ngaragi jibing we fixture ne atam maklai kalo huina aghai wi wangai ne itum atam khuili se jine itum we arui ngazin we session hi kup ksang we so khami hi ngawar pai rukui president hunpun gutam naulong atam jina limit le
Seansasi Nia Silent Poop Adam Hitran Ra Tangku we can we talk being Abom ngay da bom salala Ram ngay lala Itum kokasa ching re gachiwi Shit kasang kala gachihan nungli Akawi gatem Kushok nrog laga Share sada Kalatam kushikuing rock the clay. Sampang sago the ranali ningshi program tacham daramina how pokta kupsankang sakwivang ningishi menang soda rai itumli apam hena chihomi kawai seha sane itumli itchawing sam kawai pamli na thanung mida sam kuing sakta samik shong ter mirin ter sambang sak milishidloda sai ko rehi sam shaba ranu mali Jishu Christo min sing da seha sane amen